Yes, 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 yes. Bùsáyọ̀ Ọlá, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ ṣé, ẹ ṣé. DJ Phillips, Adébáyọ̀, welcome on board, thank you, ẹ ṣé. Bùsáyọ̀ ẹ káàsán, ẹ ṣé, ẹ kú àdúró tí ẹ kú gbogbo gbà. Tẹ́bá ti ń pọ̀ Ọlọ́run bọ́lá máa jẹ́ pé yín ni, ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́ fún yín gan ni, thank you so much, thank you for being there for me, thank you for always answering my call every time. I don't know why you do come online here. I don't understand you, Sack. Folúkẹ́ Tèmilolúwa, ẹ ṣé, ẹ̀yin náà kú iṣẹ́, gbogbo alájọ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìlú o. Ẹ ṣé, Ojúrògbé Rasheed ti lọ pẹ́. Thank you guys, thank you for joining me, welcome on board, welcome to Yorùbáwùyí page. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for pressing love and like button. Ẹ ṣé, Ọlọ́run bá mi dúró tì, Ọlọ́run á nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín náà o. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, thank you always. Ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́ tí mo bá ń ṣe tẹ́ bá wò mí ńkọ́. Folúkẹ́ Tèmilolúwa, no going back, Yorùbá nation now, àmín. God bless you, my brothers and sisters. Adéyínká Ògínní, thank you for joining me. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Yorùbáwùyí, please do. I think I have to put it out now. I did last week. I don't know if I'll be able to do that today. And now, I don't know. I don't know where to go. Okay, let me do this. All right. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Yeah, I did that last week. I want to do it today. Ẹ ṣé, welcome on board, welcome to my channel. All right. Yeah, you can go play national anthem wa no. Ìtẹ́ wa fúnlẹ̀ wa, orílẹ̀ ìbí wa, kágbéga, kágbéga, kágbéga fáyé rí. Ìgbàgbọ́ wa ni pé bá ti bẹ̀rù làbọ̀ mọ́. Ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká jọlá. Ìṣọ̀kan àtòmìnira ní kẹ́jẹ́ ká máa lépa. Tẹ̀síwájú fọ̀pọ̀ ire àtòhun tó dára. Ọmọ Oòduà dìde, rántí fún ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ. Ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo adúláwọ̀. The noise is much. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Utsman, you said I'm just serious like your grandma today. I'm serious because I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Oh, I have cried, I have shed tears, I have cried, I cried overnight, and I'm still crying now. I'm not laughing. Say don't laugh. I'm not laughing. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm crying inside me right now. I'm not happy. If you can see my face today, you will know this is not Yorùbáwùyí. I'm not happy and yẹ kí n sọ Yorùbá àkọ́kọ́ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ nù ká fi ọpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run ọba mi ọba lánàá ọba lẹ́nu ọba títí láéláé òyígíyigì ọba ńlá àràbàràbà bá ẹ̀wò Habib Sugar thank you ọba mi ìkọ̀kọ̀ ọba mi bàbá àríro àlà aládẹ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀run àdìgún sánmọ̀ ọba mi aláṣẹ ìkáyé agbókọjá ogbó akẹ́mọ bí ojú àṣẹ ni bó ṣe fẹ́ awífúnni káwí asọ̀rọ̀ sọ́mọ létè ọba mi ajímájẹ̀bi ìṣe olùpàṣẹ ìrọ̀rùn alábẹ́nú àǹsáṣe lẹ́ni àtẹ̀ní oníjẹta ìjẹrin alánà àtànọ́ba lẹ́yìn amẹ̀yìn paríparí ọlá òmìnira ọ̀ kábíyèsí olùfinimọ̀nà ọba mi the only àgbàlagbà afẹ́nifẹ́re tèmi mọ̀ ọba mi ajímájẹ̀bi ìṣọ̀bí ajípọ̀jọ́ kúdà alábẹ́nú àṣàṣí tìmùtìmù ìlẹ̀kẹ̀. Sorry, what happened? I'm going to tell you. I know. Kábíyèsí Ọlọ́run mi alágbára ló gbogbo alágbára pátápátá ọba tó máa gbà ọ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn àjogún àwọn tí wọ́n fi agbára ọlá ipò àti ọjọ́ orí tí wọ́n fi ń yàn wọ́n jẹ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àwọn adanilágbònú adanilágbòsínà àwọn ìkà òjẹ́ ṣe tiẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọba mi tó máa dójú ti àjogún àwọn òjálẹ̀ onílé fi bo tiẹ̀ lẹ́yìn àwọn tọ́lọ́mọ Yorùbá ò ní bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú àwọn tọ́lọ́mọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ní kò nínú àjàgà ìfipábánisùn ìfipábánilòpọ̀ kábíyèsí mi alágbára lórí gbogbo tí ń jẹ́ alágbára pátápátá òyígíyigì àràbàràbà bá ẹ̀wù ọba mi alábẹ́nú àṣàṣí ọba mi tó lágbára lórí gbogbo àwọn ajogun ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ọba mi tó lágbára lórí gbogbo àwọn ajogun ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ọba mi tó ní òun ó gbèjà ọmọ Yorùbá tó lóun ó kó wa kúrò lóko ẹrú ọba mi tí àwọn kan fi agbára tí wọ́n bá jó agbára àjàbáàrù tí wọ́n dáhùn máa bá jẹ́ jàbáàrù ọba mi tó jẹ́ pé òun nìkan lọ́ba tí àwọn kan sọ pé àwọn máa bá jẹ́ orúkọ kábíyèsí mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ àgbàlagbà àdàgbà má tẹ̀pá àdàgbà má kú ọba mi tó ní gbogbo ẹ̀mí lọ́dọ̀ ọba tó mẹ́rin tó mọ̀la òyígíyigì ọba ńlá ọba mi àgbàlagbà tí ń ṣàyà gbangba kábíyèsí mo dúpẹ́ fún ẹ Ọlọ́run gbogbo ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí tẹ́ wá sí orí ètò mi mo kí yín wípé sàlámù láyé àlékún wàrámọ̀túláyé wàbárakàtù ìkẹ́ àti Ọlọ́run ọba orí àjẹjẹ tún ẹ̀ kó máa bá gbogbo ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí pátápátá tẹ́ wá sórí ètò mi àti ẹ̀yin tó kù náà tẹ́ máa padà wò létà ẹ̀yin kìrìsìtẹ́nì mo kí yín pé orí ọ̀fẹ́ tí bàbá tọ́mọ ti dàpọ̀ ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́ aláwọ̀ kó sọ̀kalẹ̀ láti wákàtí ọ̀wọ̀ yìí lọ kó wá gba ojú yín lọ́wọ́ omijé kó gba ẹsẹ̀ yín lọ́wọ́ ìṣubú kó gba ẹ̀kẹ́ yín lọ́wọ́ òṣè kó gba yín lọ́wọ́ àjogún ẹ̀yin màmí oníṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tẹ́ wà lórí ètò mo fa Jíbọ́lá ẹ̀dàn mo fi kí yín ọ̀rọ̀ tí ń gbénu lédè tí ń kún yùmùyùmù mo fi ilẹ̀ ọ̀gẹ́rẹ́ kí yín alápò òre tádáyé ń pè lálápò kà mo kí yín ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ kú ètò ẹ̀yin lẹ́lẹ̀tò ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ìlú ẹ kú ọ̀rọ̀ ìlú mo wá kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ wá ṣe nǹkan kan pétọ̀ ìkẹ́ àti ìgẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ọba á wà pẹ̀lú yín ẹ ṣé. Ètò mi lẹ́ni mo ní they can't speak for me I don't know if they can speak for you the àgbàlagbà Yorùbás wa alaikum salam welcome on boye kí n pe orúkọ àwọn ọdún Gbénga Ayọ̀dèjì Ọlọ́run dùn wàláì Adéyínká Ògínní Usman Ajayi Sodiq Olóyè Karimat kábíyèsí Ọlọ́run ọba Alájà Àbíkẹ́ Ọmọ́táyọ̀ Francis Oníyè Latif Ìṣọ̀lá Gbénga Ayọ̀dèjì Alájà Rukayat Latif Olóyè Karima. What's up, sis? I'm going to tell you, my sister. Felicia Jagbe, Adéyínká, Fẹ́mi, Sam Plumber, Tọ́nà Arímọ́rò, Ọmọ Bọ́láńlé, Fẹ́mi, Sam, Fọlúkẹ́ Tèmilolúwa, Ṣẹ̀gẹ̀básì, Adéyínká Ògínní, Bùsáyọ̀ Ọlá, àti Kenny, àti gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ń bọ̀ lórí ètò pátápátá. Mo kí yín welcome on board to my ètò today. Suli Jalalu Alikirami. Ya Jalalu. Ètò tèmi ní mo ní they can't speak for me. If the àgbàlagbà Yorùbás can speak for you, they cannot speak for me. Alhaji Yunus, àbí Alhaja Yunus dẹ̀ ni Ìmọ̀gbèmí. They can't speak for me. Please invite all the, I don't know if it's that only I said, invite all the àgbàlagbà Yorùbás. Both nílé lóko. Tell Tell them that I, Yorubawuyi, said they can't speak for me. They cannot speak on my behalf. I am above 18 years. I can speak for myself. Ní ìlú tá wà yìí, tó bá ti pé 18 years, tó ti wà ní college ní ìlú tá wà yìí, wọn ò ní pé ẹ̀yin òbí ẹ̀ fún anything. Anything tó bá fẹ́ sign in school, ó máa sign it by him or herself ni. Tell the àgbàlagbà Yorubas that they can't speak for me, Yorubawuyi. I'm upset today. I have cried, and cried. And I'm still crying inside me. Please, tag all the Afenifere, all the Agbalagba. I don't want to say Afenifere. I don't want to say any Afenifere. All the Agbalagba Yorubas, both the Agbalagba governors, Agbalagba senators, Agbalagba Afenifere, Agbalagba whatever. Ex-governor, ex-president Agbalagba. Please tag them. If they can speak for you as you are watching me, tell them that I, Yorubawuyi, said they can't speak for me. I don't want to mean, I don't want to be mean, and I don't want to be upset. If you are looking at me from a different direction today, that this is not the woman that always laugh on our show, has always make people laugh on our show. This is not me today. I don't want to be mean. I don't want to be rude. They are just trying to bring out the other side of me. This Agbalagba, they are trying to bring out the other side of me. You know, when you are watching my program, you always laugh. I always make people laugh. But today, I'm not laughing. And I'm finding it difficult to make anybody laugh today. I'm not laughing. And I'm finding it difficult to make anybody laugh today. Now, I don't know, maybe later. Invite all these people. Thank you, Latif Ishola. I'm sorry, Damilare. I have cried and I'm finding it difficult to read your comments. I'm finding it difficult. I'm sorry if I'm not reading out your comments. I'm upset. Abolore Damilare, welcome on board. Tell this Agbalagba Afenifere that they can't speak for me. That Yorubawuyi said they cannot speak for me. If they cannot speak for those people that were massacred at Lekki toll gate, if all this Agbalagba, yes, if they can talk down, Folioke Temiloluwa said they can't speak for me. If they can't speak for you, please write it that they can't speak for you. Let them know those people that they cannot speak for. If they can't speak for you, write it and tell them they can't speak for you. They can't speak for me, Yorubawuyi. I am above 18 years. I can speak for myself. I don't want restructuring. I want Yoruba nation. I know we don't recognize them, but let them know. Because everybody, the whole world, they want to know me. What are you doing type? If they can speak for you, you can write there that they are your speaker. Let them speak for you. But if they can't speak for you, write it out now that they can't speak for you. Because you never know tomorrow. Maybe they might need this my video. Need UN. Maybe somebody will tell the British, the Queen, that mobile. Oh no, so maybe we should just check our comments here. If they can speak for you, please write it down. Write it on my page now that they are your speaker. The Agbalagba Yorubas are your speaker. And if they can't speak for you, please write it out that they can't speak for you. Let the world know how many people they can't speak for. To me, Yorubawuyi, they cannot speak for me. The youth were massacred at Lekki toll gate, and none of this Agbalagba came out and said a word than to come out and lie. They only come out and lie. That nothing like that happened at Lekki toll gate until Babatunde Raji Fashola walked as an ostrich, Tony B. Tolotolo, and he said he found a camera, which we all know is a lie. If this Afenifere or this Agbalagba, if Tinubu, I'm going to mention your name today, Baba Tinubu, I will respect you enough. I have given you more than respect. If he cannot come out and say, I want me to watch the shame. To just pay Yoruba, I want to say shame. we should fish them out. If all these àgbàlagbà tí wọ́n wá ń ka ìwé, because they are well learned, wọ́n ka ìwé bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀, bàbá Jákàndé wọn lọ sí free education, wọ́n rí ìwé kà, wọ́n rí òyìnbó sọ. If they can come out and be speaking English to tell us that pé àwọn ò fẹ́ kúrò ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ní ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà, àwọn fẹ́ Yorùbá nation, ipe restructuring làwọn fẹ́. If they can come out and say that, and they can't come out and speak for those youths, I stand with the youths. And they can come out and tell the world who killed those guys at Lekki Toll Gate. The peaceful protesters who killed them at Lekki Toll Gate. If they can't come out, they can't speak for me, Yorùbá-Wuyi. They can never speak for me and my family. They can't speak for me. Afenifere, Àgbàlagbà Yorùbás, you cannot speak for me and my family. I'm above 18 years. Even my children that are not 18 years, you cannot speak for them. You can't speak for me. I'm sorry if I'm acting rude today. If I'm acting mean, I'm sorry if I'm behaving arrogantly. I'm so sorry. My fans, my friends, my family, please and please forgive me the way I speak today. Take me for whoever you think I am today. They cannot speak for me. The Àgbàlagbà Yorùbás cannot speak for me. If those our youth, our future leaders were killed, were massacred at Lekki Toll Gate in Yoruba land, and nothing has been done, they cannot speak for me. Àgbàlagbà Yorùbá, you cannot speak for me, Yorùbá-Wuyi. I don't know about you. If they can speak for you, if they are your speaker, tell them, invite them, tag their children, tag their wives, tag their relatives, tag their families. Tell them that Yorùbá-Wuyi is calling them, and I'm saying they cannot speak for me. The Àgbàlagbà Yorùbás, you cannot speak for me. You cannot speak for me. Tell them that they cannot speak for me, Yorùbá-Wuyi. If they can speak for you, type it and let me know they can speak for you. Tell them. Wọ́n ní pé Yorùbá, a gbọ́dọ̀ máa respect àwọn àgbàlagbà. Òfin Yorùbá sọ pé ká respect àgbàlagbà. Did òfin Yorùbá sọ pé kí àgbàlagbà máa pa wá díẹ̀díẹ̀? If all these àgbàlagbà Yorùbás, if they can't speak for the Ogun State citizens, when the Fulanis, the bandits, enter into Ogun State, when they kill these people at in Ogun State, when a mother said they burnt our son alive, and this Àgbàlagbà cannot come out and tell Buhari enough of this shit. If these Àgbàlagbas cannot come out and said enough of this killing in Ogun State, if this Àgbàlagbà cannot come out and said we have to fight back till the Ogun State citizens left their home, they left their father's land, they left their abode and ran to Benin Republic, they can't speak for me. They cannot speak for me. They can't. They can't speak for me. If they can't speak for those people in Ogun State until they became refugee in Benin Republic, tell the Afeniferes, tell the Àgbàlagbà Yorùbás, tell the Àgbàlagbà governors, tell the àwọn tí wọ́n intimidate our intimidators, tell them they cannot speak for me, Yorùbá-Wuyi. They can't speak for me. So they are waiting for the Fulanis to kill everybody in Yoruba land. The only thing they can talk about is 2023 election. They can't speak for me. See àwọn ará Ogun State. See àwọn ará Ogun State bá lè di refugee ní Benin Republic. Ará Kwara State á padà di refugee ní Cotonou. Ará Ọ̀yọ́ State wọ́n padà mi jẹ́ nílò ará ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ State wọ́n padà di refugee ní Ghana. In fact, we are refugees everywhere in the world. And they cannot come out and say enough of this. They cannot come out and fight for the youth. They cannot come out and said, àwọn ọmọ wa wọn kì í ṣe ẹrú. Now all they can do is that to come out and tell us 2023 they want to restructure Nigeria. Ní abẹ́ ọmọ Fulani. Tell them they can't speak for me. If àwọn olóṣèlú nígbà tí ebi ń pa wá, tí a ò rí ibi kankan lọ, tí a ò rí ṣẹṣẹ, tí ebi ń pa ará ìlú, if the olóṣèlús they can hide palliative and expect us to die of hunger. They expect we Yorubas to die of hunger. Why Buhari and the Hausas, the Fulanis, wọ́n fún àwọn ará north ní 40,000. Ọmọ kékeré 20,000. Àgbàlagbà 40,000. If Buhari and his Fulani people can be giving that to the Hausas, and nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àwa ò rí gbà, and these people calling themselves àgbàlagbà cannot come out then and fight for us and say our people must not hungry. They can come out and say we want our people to be satisfied. They are indoor. They are not working today. I'm sorry if I'm doing this program in English. I'm so sorry. Tẹ́ bá ṣe rí mi lẹ́ni ní kẹ́ ṣe gbà mí. Tẹ́ bá ṣe rí mi ní ẹ̀ní ní kẹ́ ṣe gbà mí. I'm upset. I have cried and cried. Now, ojú mi ti dá. I'm here to face these people. I'm here to tell them that they cannot speak for me. I tell them they cannot speak for me, Yorubawuyi. They can never speak for me. They cannot speak for me. Oh, mo ma yọra mi lẹ́nu Busayo. Mo ma yọra mi lẹ́nu because tí wọ́n ní tara ẹni bá ní ẹnu, èèyàn máa ń ní ẹsẹ̀ tí lẹ́yìn ni. Bí wọ́n ṣe bọ́sà tí wọ́n ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ pé the government should do everything láti make sure ó fẹ́ máa fi Buhari dẹ́rù bà wá. Kò sí ọ̀dọ́ tó máa pa àgbà tí a ní bá pọ̀ lórí ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀. After Lekki toll gate, ẹ ti jẹ́ kó yé wa pé ìkà ọ̀pàyàn ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ nìyí, and we are ready for you. Call them, tag them, all the àgbàlagbà Yorùbás. Ẹ̀yin agent wọn tẹ̀lé wa lórí line. Tí ẹ ń wo show me. Take this my video, go and give it to them that Yorubawuyi said they cannot speak for me. Ọlọ́run máa mú wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run, but we will not wait for Ọlọ́run to mú wọn before we go mú wọn. We will move you by ourselves. We will move you by ourselves. We will not wait for Ọlọ́run to move you. You cannot speak for me. Yorubawuyi said, you cannot speak for me and my family. If Wakilu can be killing people in Oyo State, and none of you can come out and challenge Wakilu. If Wakilu and his boys can be raping women, married women, if you guys cannot come out and fight Wakilu, if you guys cannot come out and say something about Wakilu, if you guys cannot come out and stop Wakilu from doing this nonsense, if you cannot come out from stopping Wakilu in Oyo State, kí wọ́n máa kó ẹran màálù lọ jẹ oko àwọn èèyàn, tí olóko bá sọ̀rọ̀, they will kill the farmer. Tí ẹ bá lè stop ẹ̀, how dare on earth can you come online and say you are speaking on behalf of the Yorubas? You cannot speak for me. You cannot speak for me. The àgbàlagbà Yorubas, tag them, invite them, let them know that Yorubawuyi said they cannot speak for her. A ò ní dúró kọ́lọ́ mú yín o, a máa mú yín fún ara wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. A ò ní dúró kí Ọlọ́run mú yín, a máa mú yín fún ara wa ni, because Ọlọ́run bá gan ti ta lè fi mú yín, Ọlọ́run ti fi lé wa lọ́wọ́. You can't speak for me. Àgbàlagbà Yorùbá, you cannot speak for me. Take it or leave it. If Buhari have been defending Boko Haram, Buhari have been defending bandits. Tí wọ́n bá mú bandits àbí tí wọ́n bá mú Boko Haram lọ sí station, ọlọ́pàá wá fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. If Buhari have been protecting the bandits, the Boko Haram, the Fulani, to the extent pé àwọn ISWAP not wá wọ Nigeria. America said it last year that àwọn ISWAP wọ́n ti wà ní around the southern region. And you guys cannot come outside as our àgbàlagbà, as our Olori and said, no, Buhari, stop this shit. We must prosecute those we arrest. If you guys cannot come out, why Buhari? Come on. Buhari is a nice man to his people because he keep on defending them. Teba mu Fulani jẹ oko yin, or Fulani pa èèyàn. Teba mu de station, I'ma release any. Yeah, I'ma release Fulani any. Because I'ma Fulani ni, so they cannot do anything to him. If Buhari can be defending all those people, and Eya Agbalagba Afeni Fere, ẹjọ ní sùúrù. Ẹ má bínú. Ẹjọ fún mi ní 1 second, ẹ má bínú. Look at this. Ọkọ àti ìyàwó wọ́n travel and the wife was kidnapped. Look at the man crying. Ẹ wo bí máa ṣe ń sunkún àgbàlagbà. Look at him crying. Can you see this man crying? If you can see, please press 1 for me. Can you hear that? Can you see this, please? If they can kidnap this man.
Ẹni tí wọ́n gbé tẹ́ bá rò pé bóyá yẹ̀yẹ́ ni wọ́n ṣe tán ni wọ́n gbé yàn. Èyí tí ẹ gbàgbọ́ tó dẹ̀ máa wá kọlẹ̀kùn yàrá tí yín sójú títí náà ti ń gbàwọ̀n èèyàn sí. Wọ́n máa wá kọlẹ̀kùn yàrá tí yín ni. Ṣé rí ọkọ ẹni tó gbé ìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ nìyí? Ọkọ ẹni tí wọ́n gbé táwọn Fúlàní gbé ìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ lálẹ́ yìí ni. Àwọn inú gbọ́tẹ̀lé wọn, àárí wọn mú. Ní báyìí.
Thank you.
Bí ẹni yìí ṣe dúró báyìí tó ń sunkún, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Buhari wàá rógun ẹkún o. Wàá rógun òṣè, wàá rógun ìyà, ìgbésàgbọ́jẹ́ ti jẹ̀jẹ̀.
Ṣẹ́rí, bí àgbàlagbà bá lélé onílé lọ́nà tí òun àtìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣe márédè jáde, tí wọ́n jáde nínú ilé, tí wọ́n lọlé pẹ̀lú ẹkún lójú. Kí ló máa lọ sọ fáwọn ọmọ ẹnu ilé? Mo mú ìyá yín jáde, àwọn Fúlàní ti gbà lọ́wọ́ mi. You can't speak for me. Àgbàlagbà Yorùbá, ẹ wà careful. You cannot speak for me. Be careful, you cannot speak for me. Tí wọ́n bá lè gbé ìyàwó máa yìí, wọ́n lè gbé èmi, wọ́n lè gbé ẹ̀yin. And this baba will, àwọn bàbá yìí wọn ò ní bọ́sà láti wá sọ anything than pé 2023 election. So, àwa ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ̀mí wa ò tó paper. Ẹ̀mí wa ò tó ballot paper that have the election. If you can't speak for this man, Nick Eshe, my brother Tunde Michael, if you cannot speak for this man, Nínú ìdààmú tí màá yìí wà, if you cannot go into the bush, if you cannot call for security and rescue this man from the mess the Fulani has put him to, you cannot speak for me. You can't speak for me. The Agbalagba Yorubas, you cannot speak for me, Yorubawuyi. You can't speak for me. Thank you, guys. I've seen the one. You can't speak for me. Tag the Yoruba Agbalagbas. Tell them that Yorubawuyi said they cannot speak for her. You guys cannot speak for me. Wọ́n gbé ìyàwó máa yìí. Ẹ lè bọ́ta wá speak for fún. Ẹ lè bọ́ta wá gba àwọn wá lọ bá gba ìyàwó ẹ̀. And you are coming out say ẹ fẹ́ kó tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kó ní Yorùbá nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Ayọ̀ǹda yín ẹ bá bá Fúlàní lọ. We want Yoruba nation now. You can't speak for us. You cannot speak for us. Ẹ̀yin Àgbàlagbà yìí, you can keep your words to you and your family. Speak for your family. Tell the world that ó fẹ́ kí àwọn ẹ̀yin àtàwọn family yín àtàwọn ọmọ yín kí ó máa ṣẹ́gun Fúlàní lọ. Not we are speaking on behalf of the Yorubas. You are not speaking on our behalf. You are not. Ẹ má bínú ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Look at this man. ọwọ́ méjì ni máa yìí ní. Àgbẹ̀ ni. He is a farmer. Ó dá oko. Àwọn Fúlàní kó ẹran lọ jẹ oko ẹ̀. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ Fúlàní dẹ̀ gé ní ọwọ́. Wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ gé orí ẹ̀ ní ọwọ́ ló gbé sí. Ọwọ́ ló fi gbà. Can you see that?
Ṣé lè ṣàlàyé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan àti bí tí nǹkan ẹ̀ ti ń bọ̀ tó fi di pé ìkọlù yẹn wáyé. À ń gbọ́ yín.
Mo mọ̀ pé most of yín lẹ́tí máa rí fídíò yìí. Máyẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti gbé ọwọ́ kan náà wẹ̀. Afẹ́nifẹ́re. Jagaban, you cannot speak for me. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but if I can disrespect you, my disrespect you. Chidozie Biafra IPOB. Free Yoruba. No, they will not free us. We will free ourselves. Chidozie, I'm sorry. These oppressors will not feel, they will not free the oppressed. We are the oppressed. They will not free us. We will free ourselves. Àwọn àgbàlagbà yìí ẹ̀kọ́ ti fojú mímú hàn. Ó ti sọ bí tá máa gbà fún wa. They have told us who they are. They can't speak for us. Ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà Yorùbá, you cannot speak for us. You cannot speak for me. I don't know about other people. But to me, you cannot speak for me and my family. You can never speak for me. They cut the man's hand. He is a farmer. On his farmland, a Fulani boy of about 20 years old came to his farm with his cow. They vandalized the man's farm. And because he said, why did you do this to me? The Fulani boy bring out his cutlass and cut the man's hand. He want to cut his head. Because he defended it with his hand, they cut off his hand. And all this Agbalagba Afenifere shit, they don't come out and speak for this man. They don't come out and say enough of this. Tinubu, you can come out and speak for this man. You can get that boy arrested and prosecuted. But you keep quiet because you want 2023 election. So me awa ọmọ Yorùbá, kò tó ballot paper. You can't speak for us. Keep your words, keep your talk to yourself. Ẹgbọ́n òyìnbó, nítorí pé bàbá wọn náà ṣe free education. If the president is not producing free education, free health center, and you can't speak up, you overlook everything, you can't speak for me. And mark my words. And you see about that here, so yeah, we mark your face. Bible is an history book. And Quran is an history book. Àwọn Lárúbáwá wọn kọ Quran ní nǹkan tí àwọn past heroes wọ́n ti ṣe ni wọ́n fi kọ Quran ní ká máa forúkọ wọn tọrọ. Àwọn Jews àbí àwọn tí wọ́n ṣe Bible wọ́n kọ Bible ní ìtàn tó ti lọ ni. Jesus was a human being like you guys. Jésù èèyàn bíi tiyín ni. Júdásì èèyàn bíi tiyín ni. Bíbélì kọ nípa Júdásì, Bíbélì kọ nípa Jésù. Now, we the Yorubas, we are ready to write our own history book, our religion book. I'm a funny orúkọ, and the train bàbá yìí ó máa wà níbẹ̀. We mark your face. We know you. We will write your story. Èmi ò lọ sí school. I am an illiterate, as I always tell you guys. It's hard for me before I could finish class 5. Kí tó lè parí secondary school class 5 for me. Mo lọ́kútọ́ ni mo smuggle dánwò. You guys cut me off on the way, and you are here now saying you are speaking. You cannot speak for me, guys. You cannot speak for me. You cannot. You can't speak for me. You cannot speak for me. If Fulani illiterates, tó bá lè jẹ́ olórí ní port authority, tó lè jẹ́ olórí ní airport, tó lè jẹ́ olórí immigration, tó lè jẹ́ olórí gbogbo post ní Nigeria, and àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n kàwé tí wọ́n ní BSc, ẹni pé after school kí wọ́n lọ kọ́ṣẹ́. And you are here now saying you are speaking for the Yorubas. Please, you can't speak for me. Yoruba, we have said, the Agbalagba Yorubas, You can never speak for me. We want Yoruba nation now. If you like, you call us decisions. If you like, you call us terrorists. If you like, call us armed robber. We are leaving Nigeria. Biafra nation now. Thank you, Mike. To my brothers. Ezekiel, Mike, welcome. I'm upset today. Please, don't. This is not your Bawuyi. But these people, they make me crazy today. Saying they are speaking for us. How dare on earth can they speak for us? We are above. I am above 18 years. Nobody, even my mother, I swear by my father's grave, cannot speak for me. You can speak for me. How can you speak for me? How dare you say you want to speak for me? How can you speak for me? What I can speak for myself. You can't speak for me. Àwọn ọmọ tó jáde university tí wọ́n ṣe ọlọ́kadà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní tí wọ́n gbọ́ ọ̀kadà mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ pàápàá. Nígbà tí àwọn ọmọ wa tí wọ́n jáde school tí wọ́n di tẹ̀sán wọn di ọmọ ọ̀tá tẹ̀sán wọn di jàgùdà tẹ̀sán wọn di union tẹ̀kẹ̀ fún ní respect tẹ̀ fún ní respect tẹ̀sán ọmọ wa di jàkúdà. And you don't come out and tell the government that you have to employ these people. Well, Tinubu brought Buhari. Buhari promised us lots of jobs. If you cannot come out and tell Buhari this is your first year in the office, we want you to employ. Call our industrial skinny kalẹ̀. Call ilé-iṣẹ́. Let our people be employed. If you cannot come out the first year of Buhari, second year, fourth year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, you cannot come out and tell Buhari, let's call our companies, let's call our factories. And now now you're coming out to say, of any sort of one. You can't speak for me, we want Yoruba nation now. If you like, we don't care if you call us terrorists, if you call us decisions, we don't care. You cannot speak for me. If teachers, doctors can strike, Balo, welcome. Mosumola Ridwan, Azan Olaoluwa, Akim Olaiwola, Fatai Akoshile. I hope it's not Fatai that I know. Akin Ofaniju, Samson Mutala. Oh, thank you, welcome. Thank you, Mr. Samson. Sanusi. Please, if Timale pe uko àwọn èyàn leni, ẹ má bínú, ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ fún ko mo kere blogger ni mi. I just to force myself and put smile on my face because to get into Femi. I just have to force myself and put smile on my face. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, if I'm not smiling, please don't be upset with me. I'm just here to tell these people that they can't speak for me. They cannot speak for me. In ìlú teacher, doctors, tí wọ́n ti strike. Àwọn ọmọ lọ sí university, course tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe fún 4 years. Wọ́n ṣe course yẹn fún 8 years. Ní ìlú ti Laspo Tech ti strike more than a year. And this àgbàlagbà, they cannot come out and say enough of this. Pay ẹ̀sanwó àwọn òṣìṣẹ́, ẹ̀sanwó teacher, ẹ̀sanwó doctors. If they cannot come out and tell them to pay the lecturers. Kí àwọn wá lè bá wọn sí school. Tí wọ́n ti kó àwọn wá sí ìlú òyìnbó lèmi náà wà. But because I love my people, I'm doing well here. I'm doing well. I'm doing very well here. I'm doing very well here. Ní àná, Biden ṣì tún bọ́ta. Ipe from July, ìwọ tó bá ní ọmọ kí ni tó file tax tó file wá tún gba half ẹ̀ padà lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ because wọ́n believe pé ìlú ò sí ìfarahàn torí COVID-19 tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní gbogbo àgbáyé. Wọ́n ní ìwọ tó bá ní ọmọ yẹn kọ́kọ́ máa gba $250. Ẹ calculate sí $500 naira ní $1. Biden said every month ni àwọn ẹ̀ máa gba owó yẹn. Ìgbà tí COVID-19 ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn mi ní Nàìjíríà tí ìyà ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn mi ní Nàìjíríà tí wọn ò rí oko lọ tí wọn ò rí odò lọ tí wọn ò lè lọ sí ibi iṣẹ́ ẹ sọ ìyàwó di ìyàwó níyàwó ẹ sọ ọkọ di ọkọ ọlọ́kọ àwọn ọkọ wa wọ́n ń jẹun ẹ̀gbin wọ́n mọ àlè wa à ń lọ gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn àlè láti fi dáná fún àwọn ọkọ wa dẹ̀ ń jẹ nítorí pé wọn ò ní nǹkan tí wọ́n lè ṣe. And bọ́ síta pé àwọn pípù tí ebi ń pa yìí ẹ bá mi fún wọn lóúnjẹ. Àwọn pípù tí ebi ń pa yìí I was here láyé coronavirus àmọye tí ex-president America Trump bóyá ìyá wèrè tó ó fún wa lówó tó fún wa lóúnjẹ. Biden sì tún wá sanwó yẹn lọ up to date ó sì tún wá sọ pé ní July o ó tún máa san àwọn owó kan sínú àkáǹtì wa pé owó gbàmá bínú pé ẹ̀rí iṣẹ́ ṣe dáadáa mọ́. And if àwọn gómìnà Nàìjíríà Yorùbá land àwọn àgbàlagbà Yorùbá land wọ́n lè máa kó oúnjẹ pamọ́ lásìkò coronavirus and àwọn àgbàlagbà yìí cannot come out and speak then. Tell them, me Yorubawuyi, I said they can't speak for me. They cannot speak for me. Thank you, Mr. Oluwaseun. Tell them that I said they cannot speak for me. I'm good and fine here, but I love my people. Anything. And you government election meeting about Tinubu, you cannot speak for me. Tinubu, you cannot speak for me. Last Lautech was first striking. So keep on following. Now you are here to speak for me. You cannot speak for me. Okwe ọdún kan leni. Tí wọ́n pa George Floyd l'America. George Floyd is a black man. America là ń pè bíbí. Àní ìlú òyìnbó. George Floyd was murdered. Láti bí ọdún kan yẹn, America is unrest. Àwọn èèyàn jáde wọ́n protest ní ojoojúmọ́ nítorí ẹ̀mí ẹyọ kan. Nítorí ẹ̀mí ẹyọ kan. They have been killing my people. Genocide is going on in Nigeria. Lekki Toge, they massacred our youth. The Fulanis are killing every day. They are raping every day. And none of these Agbalagba can come out and say something. Now they are here to speak for me. That they don't want Yoruba nation. You can't speak for me. You cannot speak for me. We mark your face. I'm Ojuyi. Ìtàn. The history will never say good about you. Ìrandíran yín, a máa kọ ìtàn yín. I am an illiterate. Buhari, this same stupid idiot Buhari, denied me of my education. I have a plan to be an army officer in my life. This stupid Buhari came to power in 1984 and denied me of my education. From school, I have to turn to a smuggler. With my age, mo máa lọ sí Kútọ́nù. Mo máa lọ ra rice, mo máa tà láti máa fi sponsor ara mi. Mo fi jáde class 5 ní secondary Denton Grammar School. I went to Denton Grammar School. Yes. If you guys cannot come out and speak, than to tell us speak about Dipo. Ẹ sọ fún wa pé ẹ̀mí wa ò tó, ẹ̀mí balance paper. Is that what you are telling us? That 2023 election lewa after. You don't want Yoruba nation. We want Yoruba nation. You cannot speak for us. George Floyd, wọ́n ṣì ń jà fún ikú ẹ̀ di sin. And ọlọ́pàá tó pa, wọ́n ṣì ń bá ṣe case di sin. Uki Tolúlọpẹ́ Arótilé. I'm on live show. Uki Tolúlọpẹ́ Arótilé. Tolúlọpẹ́ Arótilé was murdered. Tolúlọpẹ́ died like a chicken. Nobody is saying anything. Tolúlọpẹ́, orúkọ ẹ̀ Tolúlọpẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ni. She was murdered. And nobody come out. Now you are saying you are... Udoko ya Tolúlọpẹ́ ma kàn yín. Unti oko ya Tolúlọpẹ́, the pain the woman is going through, you shall go through it. You are here telling us and sọ̀rọ̀ fún wa. You can't speak for us. If they cannot speak for you, like it's that they cannot speak for you. This video might be useful one day. If these people cannot speak for you, write it out that they cannot speak for you. To me, Yoruba, they cannot speak and they will never speak for me. Yes, they cannot speak for me. Who killed Torilope Arotile? Nobody is speaking for Torilope Arotile. A fighter jet pilot at her age, 23 years. She was killed. She was murdered. And they came out and lied to us. The Fulanis came out and lied to us that she has an accident. Also go Boko Haram. Also go bandits. On fly jet. Go accident. And you said, I will come reverse. One was want to call you. Want to walk go here. And nobody come out for the girl. Nobody is saying anything about the girl. George Floyd, what you died? That's why you want to for George Floyd. Do you want to protest for George Floyd? George Floyd, America has been on rest this 1 year. Ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà yìí, bọ́ síta, kẹ́ sọ pé ta ló pa Torilope Arotile, afẹ́mẹ́ tó pa Torilope Arotile. You don't come out and say something about that. I'm going to stress myself. Oloye Karimot, my love. I will stress myself about these people. Let the world know what they mean. Let the world know who they are. Let us speak out. As they are coming out to speak, let us speak out. If they can't speak for you, write it there that they cannot speak for you. They can't speak for me. If they can't speak for you, if they cannot speak for you, write it out that they cannot speak for you. This video might be useful one day. We never know. The British must ask for something, and this video will be presented. And they will say that these people are not saying anything. Why are you ranting? Because to some people I'm ranting. I'm shouting. I don't have to do this. I'm good where I am. I'm fine. I know when I was in Nigeria, I know how I look. No, I have been a beautiful woman before. Ever since I was born. And I'm looking more beautiful here. I don't need to stress myself. I don't need to come out and do this. But I hate cheating. All this Agbalagba, they are cheating us. Please mark their face. Write down their names. We all saw them on the internet. When they say they are speaking for the Yorubas, tell them they cannot speak for you. Yoruba nation now. We want Yoruba nation. We are living Nigeria. We are living. We are not Nigerians again. If you guys are Nigerians, stay with the Fulanis. I want to buy when Okoshe. I want to buy obìnrin sùn. Èèyàn mẹ́fà mẹ́jọ ń bá obìnrin sùn ní ìta gbangba. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń feed ẹ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń show ẹ̀. Ẹ wọ́n ní ká máa bá àwọn people yẹn gbé. Ọkùnrin tí wọ́n gbé ìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ wò bànújẹ́ ayé. If care is not taken, if that man is not man enough, even though ma ti gba ìyàwó ẹ̀ padà, at last wọ́n ti ẹ̀rọ padà kọ́ra wọn. Because ó máa ní doubting mind pẹ̀lú ìyàwó ẹ̀. Looking at that man yẹn mi ò ṣọ́pọ̀ ní 200,000 account. What if Fulani will call him now? They will tell him to bring 10 million. Ibo ló ti fẹ́ rí. But until the only thing you can do that I will support and follow you. Ní pé kẹ́ boss ta kẹ́ni gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn tí wọ́n pariwo pé ara ni àwọn Nàìjíríà fẹ́ kó Nàìjíríà yìí kí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín. Tí ẹ bá lè boss ta, tí ẹ bá lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín tọmọtọmọ. Then you can speak for us. Then you can speak for us. But for now, you cannot speak for us. If Sunday Igboho, an illiterate, as you always call him, yes, I can't speak for me and my family. You always call him an illiterate, a thug. If Sunday Igboho, despite his words, his power, his spiritual power, his connection, if Sunday Igboho can come out and said enough is enough, enough of this atrocity on my people, enough of this killing, enough of this raping on my people, if Sunday Igboho, as an illiterate as you always call him, because I am an illiterate also, you guys deny me of free education. When Babawolowo was there, I have access to free education when I was in primary school, when I was in secondary school. Orí tiwa ní 1988 when I was in secondary school. Not bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ pé o WAEC a máa sanwó WAEC. Orí set tiwa ló WAEC ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Nigeria. If the way she learn free education, till university you pọ́kú ni, maybe Mati jẹ́ colonel nínú iṣẹ́ ológun. Because iṣẹ́ àmì wù mí púpọ̀. You guys deny me of my right. You deny my children of their right. To the extent that I have to take my children, my family out of Nigeria to stay in America. Òtútù, snow, kò kí n ṣe fún black people. I am a very black woman. Look at me. I'm looking light now. Nítorí òtútù. Then you will come out and say you want to speak for me. You can't speak for me. I can't be síwájú. I don't want to be rude. But if you push the other side of me out, you will hate me. You will hate me. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ Yorùbá wuyì, ẹ máa ní àwọn family tó bá ń wo Yorùbá wuyì show, ẹ máa ní kí wọ́n máa wò mọ́. If you see me laughing, playing with people, woman, madam, you are funny, you are jovial. Yes. But if you bring the other side of me, another color from me, you will hate me. How dare you on earth say you are speaking for the Yorubas? When we are hungry, you don't speak for us. When we lack free education, you don't speak for us. When we lack free health care, you never speak for us. When the Fulanis are killing us, you never speak for us. You don't speak for us. Did you? Did you ever come out and spoke on our behalf? Did you ever come out and tell Buhari that àwọn ọmọ èèyàn mi wọ́n rí oúnjẹ jẹ dípò tó máa rí mi mu? Have you ever come out and tell Patomi to know support terrorism? A Fulani man said he supports his family, the terrorists. He said he supports bandits. He supports Boko Haram. He came online and said so. Have you, all these Agbalagba Yorubas, you call yourself Agbalagba Yorubas? One end to my dash of your tongue, you come out and tell us, even 2023 election, they were after. That means our life is not as worthy as ballot paper. You can't speak for us. You can never speak for us. Please, Afenifere or Afenifere, whatever you are. The governors, when they meet with Tinubu, tell Tinubu tó jẹ́ olórí, ẹ sọ fún Tinubu pé he cannot speak for me. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, kò sínú àṣà Yorùbá láti máa disrespect èèyàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sínú àṣà Yorùbá láti mú àgbàlagbà láti máa fi ìyà jẹ ọmọ kékeré náà. Àgbàlagbà tó dá òbí ẹ̀ jẹ ni, wàláhì ó máa rúgbẹ́ ìdókò fún ara ẹ̀. Àgbàlagbà yìí ti dá ọwọ́ ọmọdé kò tó kékeré ẹ̀hún. Kíní ni? Tàgbàlagbà gan òní wọnú àkèrègbè. Ọmọdé gbọ́n, àgbà gbọ́n, òun la fi dá Ilé Ifẹ̀. If you guys are against the youth, ẹ ṣe ní bámúbámú ni mo yó, ẹ ò mọ̀ pé bí ń pa mẹ́ni kankan. If you guys can leave us for Fulani to be killed, and you are hurt now telling us pé Yorùbá 2023 lẹ fẹ́, ẹ ò fẹ́ Yorùbá nation, you can't speak for us. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. The Afeniferes, the Agagba Yorubas, go and sit down. You cannot speak for us. Today, Sunday, Adeyemo, Igboho, Osha, he is my own speaker. I don't know about you. Igboho is my own speaker. If he can come out, if he can leave his businesses and come out and said enough of this raping on Yoruba land. If Sunday Igboho can come out and said enough of this killing on Yoruba land, I don't want to know who he is. He's an illiterate, I don't care. He's a political talk, I don't care. If he can come out and speak the truth, I'm going with him. You cannot speak for me. The Agbalagba Yorubas, did you guys speak for us? Nígbà tí Buhari sign owó, tí Lawali tó approve ẹ̀, they are Fulanis. Did you come out and speak? Did you come out and say something? You cannot speak for me. plane tí ó já tí Àtàírù ti kú ọmọ Yorùbá mẹ́fà ló wà ńbẹ̀. Did you come out and speak for your family? Nígbà tí wọ́n ní plane àwọn plane tó wọ́n lò láti ilẹ̀ náà pé kò dáa. Did you come out and speak for their family? Wípé plane tí àwọn pilot wọ́n fly yìí kò dáa. Did you come out and speak for them? You cannot speak for me. The other guy tó kú last time, the father said his son ó ti complain about plane here for the past 2 years, ó ti ń complain. And they keep on telling him, come and fly. Because he's not a Fulani man. Did you speak for the man? No, you cannot speak for me. Nígbà tí Moji Macaulay tó fi palliative ṣe birthday, tí ebi pa àwọn ará Abúlé Àdó, tí ebi pa àwọn ará Lagos State, did you come out and speak on our behalf? But my people are dying. My people are hungry. Have you ever come out and speak on our behalf? No. When we said we want Yoruba Nation now, you said you are speaking on our behalf. You are not speaking for us. You cannot speak for me. Baba Afenifere, àgbàlagbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ẹ ti fi àgbà yín ṣe láńgbàláńgbà. You cannot speak for me. Look at me very well. I'm Yorubawuyi. My name is Yorubawuyi. You cannot speak for me. I am a Yoruba woman. You cannot speak for me. Speak for yourself and your family. Speak for yourself and your family. Never speak for me. I don't want you to speak for me. I don't know you. I don't want to know you. The Agbagba Yorubas, I don't know you and I don't want to know you. You cannot speak for me. Don't speak for me. I am old enough to speak for myself. We want Yoruba Nation now. We want Yoruba Nation now. Yoruba Nation la fẹ́. I am fine here. I am good here. Oh, let's say, come home. If you want to say anything, come home. You are fool. If you are telling me to come home, this is my home. Definition of home is where lives and properties are safe and secured. I always tell you that. Get that into your stinking skull. My life and the properties are safe and secure here. Anybody can die anytime. But even if you die unlawfully, you know after your death, you will not die in vain. The government will stand up. People will stand up for you. People are standing up for George Floyd. And American government is doing something about it. Despite Àgbàlagbà Afenifere, did you stand up for us? When last protect guys were murdered, were burnt to ashes, 5 of them Yoruba boys, Yoruba future leaders, Yoruba elites tomorrow. Did you come out and speak for them? Did you ask for justice? Did you ask for justice for them? They killed these people. Did you ask for justice for them? Did you say anything about this? Did you do anything about this? But your children are busy studying abroad here. You can say me no ngba. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ tálíkà. Our benefits mo ngba ní America bibi. Àwọn ọmọ yín tún ngba. Olè ni yín. Alájẹmúra ni yín. Alájẹmújẹ ni yín. Ọ̀jáde ní lẹ́fìtẹ́ bó tiẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ni yín. Ìkà ni yín. Apààyàn ni yín. Ọ̀dájú ni yín. Ẹ kì í ṣàbíyamọ gidi. Now you are saying you are speaking on my behalf. I want Yoruba Nation. You can't speak for me. Me, Yorubawuyi, I want Yoruba Nation. I don't know about others. I don't know about others. I want Yoruba Nation now. If we are talking about secession, it's just to exist from a country, either by peace or by violence. If you are calling us secessionists, I will agree with you. To secede from a country is either by peace or by the secessionists are those people that they want to secede from a country, either by peace or by violence. Now we are telling you, we are seceding from Nigeria by peace. We are leaving Nigeria by peace. Sherry Bonlawa, Sherry Adalawa, Ijeri Okabeni Bodija. We know how to fight them. You cannot speak for me, Agbagba Afenifere. You can only speak for those people tí ẹ lọ tẹ aṣọ OPC tí ẹ lọ tẹ̀ sí lọ́rùn. Baba Gani Adams, this is a call for you. This is a call for you. This is a call for you. Baba Gani Adams. Àwọn olóṣèlú yìí wọ́n ti lọ tẹ aṣọ tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó sí àwọn boys ní ọrùn, aṣọ OPC. Àwọn pé nǹkan lè fẹ́ ṣe, but wọ́n ti lọ tẹ aṣọ tó fẹ́ kó sí àwọn boys lọ́rùn. Ipe kí wọ́n lọ bá àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe Yorùbá rally jà ní Lagos State. Yes, they are speaking for those people. Ní ìgbà tí wọ́n bá yé wọn jẹ́ tán because ẹ̀yin lẹ bá yé àwọn tí ẹ̀ka jọ sí lọ́rùn jẹ́. Àwọn tó tẹ ẹ̀ka jọ sí lọ́rùn, they can't even ask you pé bàbá tẹ fún mi ní 5,000 kí lọ jà yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ibo ni ọmọ yín wà? Can't you ask them? Ask them, where are their children? They are speaking for you. They are telling you to go and fight. They are speaking for you. They are deciding your life for you. They are deciding your future for you. Ask them, where are their children? Ask them, where are their children? Ìkọ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe ni pé wọ́n fẹ́ eliminate àwa táwa ní time yìí. Bó sàwọn lábá wọn forí gbárí. So àwọn ọmọ tí a bí kalẹ̀, by the time tí àwọn ọmọ bá fẹ́ bọ́ sí power, táwọn bá kúrò ní power, tí àwọn ọmọ bá fẹ́ bọ́ sí power, then àwọn ọmọ tí àwa bí kalẹ̀, wọ́n tún lè ṣe tọ́ọ̀gì fún àwọn ọmọ tiwọn. Àwa a ti ṣe tọ́ọ̀gì fún àwọn olóṣèlú. Àwa la lọ jà fún wọn. Àwa la lọ gbé ballot post. Àwa ni wọ́n yìnbọn fún. Àwa ni wọ́n pa. Now they want to eliminate us. Wọ́n ti rán aṣọ OPC fún wa. Wọ́n ti tẹ́fẹ́sì OPC fún wa. Wọ́n ká lọ bá àwọn Yorùbá nation tó fẹ́ ṣe rally ní Lagos State. Ká lọ bá wọn jà. They want our Yorùbá nation because mo pa àwọn yẹn dúró tán. They want us to be killed. So àwọn tí a bí kalẹ̀, wọ́n lè dìde láti ṣe tọ́ọ̀gì fún àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n náà tó ń bọ̀. Afẹ́nifẹ́re, Alàgbà Yorùbá, you cannot speak for me. You cannot speak for me. Ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà Yorùbá, ẹ lè speak for me. Gani Adams, this is a challenge on you. Tí àwọn kan bá wọn ṣe OPC, tí wọ́n lọ bá Yorùbá nation jà, wọ́n máa pariwo yín pé àwọn Gani Adams náà ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn because wọ́n mọ̀ pé Gani Adams àti Sunday Igboho wọ́n ṣe kọ̀níkọ̀ní kan lọ́wọ́ kan báyìí. They will use your name. It's the right time for you to stand up. Please tag Gani Adams for me. Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò, tag him. Yes, wọ́n máa fi orúkọ yín ba ìlú jẹ́ and orúkọ yín máa wà nínú ìwé ìtàn. Bóyá later after 200 years, wọ́n mọ̀ pé nǹkan lè ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. If you don't stand up now and against it, if you don't stand up now and against what they want to do in Lagos State, the rally we hold, I'm a rally in Lagos State. These Babas, these Afeniferes, these Agbagba Yorubas, they cannot speak for us. The rally we hold, they can't speak for us. They cannot speak for us. As the Ebu Abika and people man pa wọn tiwọn, as they cannot speak for them, they can't speak for the Biafrans. You Agbalagba Yoruba, you cannot speak for us. What want to tell us Yoruba nation? Anybody, my brothers, come here. Let me and you talk. See, I know these people. These politicians, I know them very well. I know these politicians very well. Ìwọ tí wọ́n bá gbé aṣọ Yorùbá nation sí lọ́rùn. Wípé kó lọ fi dá wàhálà sílẹ̀, kó lọ fi invade, kó lọ fi jalè. Jẹ́ kí n sọ àṣírí kan fún ẹ. Kí àwọn Yorùbá nation tó jáde ńlé ní ọjọ́ rally Lagos State. Wọ́n máa bọ Ṣàngó, wọ́n máa bọ Ògún, wọ́n máa bọ Ọya, wọ́n máa bọ Èṣù, wọ́n máa bọ Bàtálá, wọ́n máa bọ Iyemẹja, wọ́n máa bọ Ọ̀ṣun. Wọ́n máa bọ Ìrókò Olúwéré, wọ́n bọ gbogbo tí ń jẹ́ òṣàlẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìwọ tó máa lọ wọ aṣọ Yorùbá nation, ó wá lọ fi jalè, ó wá lọ fi jà, ó wá lọ fi dàlúrú, ó wá lọ fi dàkan jẹ́. I'm not saying ìwọ tó máa wọ aṣọ Yorùbá nation, tó máa fi protect ara ẹ̀. You can protect yourself. Mi ò ní kó káwọ́ sókè, mi ò ní kó káwọ́ tí èèyàn bá fẹ́ pa ẹ́ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tó máa háyà ẹ̀, tí olóṣèlú bá ti háyà ẹ̀, tó bá ti wọ aṣọ Yorùbá nation, ìbò fẹ́ lọ fi da ìlú rú, àbọ̀ṣe wọ aṣọ OPC wọ́n ti ń bọ́ gbọ́ ìṣàlẹ̀ Yorùbá o, àṣírí ni mo sọ fún ẹ yìí. Wàá jẹ ìyà. Tó wá ní bọ òòṣà nìkan mọ́, a máa ní òòṣà fún yín. Wàá jẹ ìyà débi pé ìran ẹ látòrí ẹ dé orí 50 ìran ẹ 50 ìran la máa fi bú nídìí àwọn òrìṣà yìí gbogbo tó ń jẹ́ ìran láyé látòrí ẹ dé ìran 50 wọn gbọdọ̀ ṣe rere láyé tó máa wà lórí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó máa mú mi Yorùbá tó máa jẹun Yorùbá tí wọ́n bá ti ń tẹ ilẹ̀ a máa bọ́ gbàdá máa fi yín ní tó máa ti kájọ fún ẹ lọ́wọ́ṣọ́ wọ́n bá wa jà kò dẹ̀ ṣú ẹ̀fọ́ ẹ pé o máa jẹ lọ́jọ́ náà Yorùbá Lagos rally àwọn tí wọ́n bọ̀ náà wọ́n dúró tán ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ronú wọ́n pè pé ẹ lọ sọ fún àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì kan lọ bá wọn jà kí ni meaning tọ́ọ̀gì they call you tọ́ọ̀gì they call you eruku kí ni meaning eruku and you are bearing eruku you are here to sell your people because of 5,000 naira ìwọ wò pé àwọn people iná sọ mí di eruku ni ìwọ wò pé àwọn people iná sọ mí di oníṣẹ́ ni owó tí wọ́n máa fún ẹ ìyá ọdún mẹ́jọ náà fẹ́ fi jẹ́ ìwọ wò pé àwọn people yìí ni wọ́n sọ ẹ́ ìdàkudà tó dáa ni àtúntò pé àwọn people yìí wọ́n kò sí school dem mo ní mi fẹ́ lọ sí school wọ́n wá ṣe technical school pé kí n lọ kọ́ iṣẹ́ kí n kọ́ mẹkáníìkì kí n kọ́ rédíònìkì kí n kọ́ mo dẹ̀ kọ́ tó báyìí tí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ ti wà fún mi ṣé wọ́n máa gbé ìbọn fún mi kí n lọ fi bọ́n jà ṣé wọ́n máa fún mi ní go ọmọ ní kí n lọ yàda where are their children ìjà àwọn wà lára wọn ìjà ó fi àwọn ọmọ síwájú kí n tẹ̀lé àwọn ọmọ wọn. Tell them tell the àgbàlagbà Yorùbá that they cannot speak for me Yorùbáwùyí they cannot speak for me let them speak for you. Let them speak for you because they have made you stupid. They made you a fool. They made you a non-entity. Now they can speak on your behalf. They can speak for you. They want you to be wretched for your life. Wọ́n fẹ́ sọ ẹ́ di olóṣì títí láéláé. Ọmọ Buhari l'accident pẹ̀lú ọ̀kadà wọ́n fly ẹ̀ lọ out. Our heroes, they died. Nigeria is not worth dying for. Retire. Look at Atairu. Atairu, a chief. The CEO of Army Staff was dead with other 11 people, or 10 people. This same day, to one thing, one bullet. When the armies, the military, they are in pain. You can see that from their eyes. You can see their face. They are angry. And all these elites, àwọn ìjọba yìí, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ṣe party, wọ́n ṣe wedding ọmọ. That same day, tí wọ́n ti Atairu bọ̀lẹ̀, tí wọ́n bá ti ẹ̀ bọ̀lẹ̀. That is to tell you pé Buhari will not do anything. Nobody know you. You are nobody. Atairu is somebody in Nigeria. He dead. He was dead and he was buried like a fowl. Wọ́n ṣe ń bẹ Nigerian government kí wọ́n mú flag, kó gbé flag wa wá sílẹ̀ halfway ni. Army kú. All Atairu was dead and flag Nigeria ó sì wà lókè. Ní ìlú yìí, George Floyd kú gan fa flag wálẹ̀. 5,000 for 8 years. George Floyd is a black man and even he's just an ordinary American. Wọ́n fa flag wálẹ̀. Atairu with 10 prominent army died and wọ́n lè fa flag Nigeria wálẹ̀. Who are you? Ìwọ tó 45,000 naira. Tó bá kú. I'm telling you, when you died, they even want your head to be cut. Or if you ṣe ritual wọn. If you are dead, àtọ̀lọ́bá àwọn Yorùbá nation jà, wọ́n ná ẹni nǹkan bí tó tí náà tọ̀tọ̀tọ̀tọ̀tọ̀. Ọgbọ̀n lọ hospital. Doctor bá pé o lè survive because kò ń ṣe medical treatment. 5,000 tó lè gbà kò lè tó ẹ̀rọ. Tó má dà sí ẹ lára. Now, these politicians will ask the doctor, pé ẹ má yẹ kó kú ní gífà, ẹ bá wa gé ọmọ ká ẹ fẹ́ lò. Wọ́n fẹ́ pọ̀ ọmọ ká ẹ mọ́ ọṣẹ. They will ask for your heart. They will ask for your kidney. Gbogbo part ààrẹ náà máa gbà, náà máa pọ̀ mọ́ ọṣẹ, náà máa tún fi ṣe oògùn tiwọn. You died like nothing. People has been dying in Nigeria and nothing has been done. So if you die, nothing will be done. Ààrẹ Gani Adams, stand up. This is the high time you stand up and defend the OPC. This is the high time you stand up and prove to the Yorubas that you are for Yoruba nation. Ààrẹ Gani Adams, this is high time you come out and prove who you are. Let the world know that you are the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Prove who you are. Let the world know you are the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Now, the politicians, they are against you now. Because Ìbàdàn ló kọjá lélẹ́yìn. They will over gbé aṣọ àwọn OPC fún àwọn boys láti lọ fi invade àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe Lagos rally. And everything, even the drone will be working that day. Everybody will go on live. The drone will be working. Remember, you have OPC, OPU everywhere in the world. And if care is not taken, they just want evidence. When they see people in OPC uniform attacking the Yoruba Nation people, let me tell you, Yoruba Nation today, they might name you what you don't want. Ààrẹ Gani Adams, go and write. I love so Ààrẹ Gani Adams pé kí wọ́n máa wo ẹ bá mi gbé fídíò mi lọ fún wọn. Àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ àwọn British, the whole world, tí wọ́n rí àwọn tí wọ́n wáṣọ OPC, tí wọ́n lọ bá àwọn Yoruba Nation jà. Níbi tí Yoruba Nation ti sọ pé we are armless. A ò ní bọn, a ò ní kíní kan tàbí fi jà. The world will name you because some of you are the Oga OPC. They will give you another name. So this is the time for you to stand up. Let's defend the Ukonyi. This is the time. Yeah, Buhari will attend the burial. Ìwọ tó fẹ́ kájọ sí lọ́rùn pé kò lọ jà. Tó bá wò mí nsìn. Àbí ìwọ tó bá ní èèyàn tó fẹ́ fún àjọ sí lọ́rùn because àti gbọ́ pé wọ́n ti fa àjọ sáwọn èèyàn lọ́rùn. Wọ́n lè ti kó ìbọn. Wọ́n ti import ọtí kó ìbọn fáwọn boys. Àwọn Yorùbá ti wá bá àwọn Yorùbá jà. Àmọ́ ní ká má gbà o. But ask yourself, ṣé ibi tó yẹ kó wà ló wà yẹn? Ask yourself, ṣé ibi tó yẹ kó wà òun ló wà yẹn? Why can't you tell these people pé àwọn ọmọ yín ńkọ́? Tí wọ́n bá pa ẹ́, nothing will be done. Àtàírùkù, Buhari will attend the burial. Àtàírùkù, àwọn tó jẹ́ olórí wọn attend the burial. They were busy eating. Ní kí ló kọ ẹ̀? Ní wedding. So who is Atairu? I know Atairu's wife will watch that video of his husband, of herself crying at her husband burial ground, and the chief of army staff and the president was not there. Hey, me Ogbori in the whole world. Chief of army staff, President Osimbe. They were busy enjoying. So who are you? To wá bọ́ta tó Yorùbá Nation tó bá nú ẹni nǹkan. Àbí wọ́n fẹ́ nǹkan sí ẹ lára tó bá kú, ta ló máa bọ́ta? Nobody. Instead of them coming out, wọ́n máa bèrè àwọn nǹkan tó bá tó wúlò lára ẹ tí wọ́n lè fi gún ṣẹ́ ni. This is a sad truth I'm telling you. Àwọn tó bá wúlò ní ara ẹ tí wọ́n lè fi gún ọṣẹ ni wọ́n máa bèrè tí wọ́n dẹ̀ máa gbà tí wọ́n máa fi gún ọṣẹ. Tó bá tún kú, wàá wá ṣe wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ mi fún wọn. Because somebody yọ ọkùn ẹ, tó ti yọ everything tó máa fi gún ṣẹ tán, òkú ẹ, spirit ẹ ló máa lò. Tó bá tún máa lọ jí ballot paper mi gbé. Wọ́n máa lù, wọ́n máa rán iṣẹ́ káàkiri. Ó tún wá di tí Yorùbá sọ pé àtúnkútú ẹ̀ lọ́nà ọ̀run. Àtúnkútúkútúkútú ẹ̀ lọ́nà ọ̀run. Wọ́n máa kú, wọ́n máa resurrect, wọ́n máa tún ẹ lò, wọ́n máa kú. Tó bá ti pọ́ àwọn ọmọ páwọn ti dàgbà tán, wọ́n tó fa iṣẹ́ yẹn lé àwọn ọmọ wọn lọ́wọ́ pé igbá tó wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn, igbá ọṣẹ tó wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn, nǹkan báyìí ló wà nú ẹ o. So ọmọ wọn tún máa wá lù ẹ̀ wá ṣẹ́rú wọn lójú ayé. Ó kú wá tún ṣẹ́rú wọn. Àwọn ọmọ wọn náà wá tún wá ṣẹ́rú àwọn ọmọ wọn. Yes. Tell them you are not a thug. You are not born to be a thug. You are not meant to be a thug. You are not destined to be a thug. You are a human being. Àǹfààní tí o ní ni àwọn ọmọ wọn ní. Tell them you want to be a normal human being like their children. Tell them to call their children. Tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n ń jà fún ẹ. Tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n ń jà fún ẹ sẹ́ pé àwọn oníkọ̀sọ́ fún àwọn ọmọ káwọn wọn síwájú kò tẹ̀lé àwọn ọmọ wọn. We want Yoruba Nation. You cannot speak for us. Afenifere, you cannot speak for us. They have been killing our people, killing our farmers. Oúnjẹ wọn nílùú. Because the farmers are not able to go to the farm anymore. Oúnjẹ wọn nílùú go. Everything wọn ní. Ìwọ fún ara ẹ, ìjọ ló ti jẹ oúnjẹ gidi gbẹ̀yìn. ìjọ́ wo ló ti jẹ oúnjẹ gidi gbẹ̀yìn sọ́yọ́ tó ti jẹ oúnjẹ gidi gbẹ̀yìn fún mi ó oúnjẹ gidi jẹ ó wá ń tiẹ̀ kó lọ jà wọ́n ń tiẹ̀ kó lọ pààyàn. I know them very well and they know me, they know I know them. Their head no dead there, me I'm always against them. I know, you said I do not stress myself, I'm going to stress myself. This my video can be useful one day. Tó bá ní pé èèyàn gba létí pé má jẹ́ n sọ̀rọ̀. Tí ará alé ẹni bá ń jẹ kòkò burúburú, tí a bá sọ fún ẹ ò ní jẹ́ ká gbádùn. I will stress myself because I want everybody to hear my voice. That's why I said, if they can't speak for you, just write it there that they cannot speak for me. To me, Yorubawuyi, they cannot speak for me. But if they can't speak for you, if they can speak for you, you are fine. To me, they cannot speak for me. And Lagos State rally we hold. Governor Sanwo-Olu, come here. Emma Binum, take a me too. Governor Sanwo-Olu, come here, let's talk. Ohun tí wọ́n bàjẹ́ ní Èkó, ní ayé EndSARS, ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹ tí rí yanjú tán, abẹ́ tí rí yanjú. Now they are coming to Lagos. And àwọn kan wá ń plan pé, tọ́mọ́ ti wá sí Èkó, kán dàrú. Then Nigeria will divide from Lagos State. Nigeria will be the battlefield. Lagos State will be the battlefield. We don't want any Yoruba land or city to be the battlefield. And ìjà tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ l'Èkó, ó máa escalate lọ ni. Everybody should call Governor Sanwo-Olu to order. Governor Sanwo-Olu, if nobody is calling you to order, call yourself to order. Ambode is a man. He's a man enough. He stands by himself. Governor Sanwo-Olu, if you don't call yourself to order, and now Yoruba Nation, wọ́n wá ṣe rally ní Èkó, àwọn thug is there to pay kalẹ̀ because you call them thug, I call them my brothers. Àwọn brothers mi tẹ́yìn pé thug, tí ti pay kalẹ̀ pé kí wọ́n lọ bá àwọn Yoruba Nation jà. Tó bá ti di pé Yorùbá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà, the Fulanis, the Hausas in Lagos State, they will come in. Ọmọ ìfẹ́ opportunity yẹn wọlé sáàrin wa. Then Nigeria will be divided from Lagos State. And ibi tí ẹni méjì bá ti jà koríko bẹ̀ ló máa suffer. Bí àrùsì tí wọ́n sùn níjọ́ kìíní àná ẹ̀ tí recover. Governor Sanwo-Olu gbogbo àwọn ibi tí wọ́n sùn níjọ́ kìíní àná ẹ̀ tí recover. Abẹ́ọ̀bẹ ti recover ni. Lagos State should be a mega city, but it's not a slum city. Governor Sanwo-Olu, call yourself together. Ẹ pé àrò tí ẹ̀dọ̀ fínú yín. Akérédolú bàtí wọ́n lọ sí Ondo náà ṣe rally ní Ondo State ní ọ̀dọ̀ Akérédolú. Akérédolú ó mọ̀ pé kó da àwọn tọ́gì sí wọn láàrin pé kán jà. Akérédolú mọ̀ kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. But Akérédolú mọ̀ pé òun máa lose ẹ̀mí wọn afẹ́ ẹ̀bọ. Governor Ọ̀yọ́ State mọ̀ Ṣèyí ọmọ Mákindé. Ó mọ̀ pé tó máa bọ́jú wá ṣe rally yẹn ó lè dá tọ́gì sí wọn láàrin. Ó lè dá ọlọ́pàá sí pé máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní shoot ìjà máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ó mọ̀ pé lóun ló ti máa pín. Because Nigeria is sitting on the gunpowder now. Láti explode nìkan ló kù fún. Governor Sanwo-Olu, call yourself to order. Tí wọ́n bá ń tiẹ̀ má tira ẹ̀. Ẹni tó kọ́ níkà tó ṣèkà ìkà ló ń fún ara rẹ̀. These people, they cannot speak for us. All these àgbàlagbà, wọ́n ní pé kí ìjọba mọ̀ tó máa ṣe on anything within his capacity. Láti make sure pé wọ́n suppress wa. Ìjọba ò lè ṣe anything láti suppress Boko Haram. Wọ́n ṣe anything láti suppress kidnappers. Wọ́n ṣe anything láti suppress bandits. Fulani herdsmen ní pariwo Yorùbá. Ìjọba ò ṣe anything láti suppress wọn. Wọ́n ní kó suppress àwọn àtàtúkọ̀ afẹ́ Yorùbá nation. Àwọn àtàlẹ́ secede. Ẹ má fi òyìnbó kó wa lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ. Èmi ò kàwé. I am an illiterate. But I know the meaning of secession. It's when you want to secede from a country, either by violence or by peace. We want to secede by peace. But Governor Sanwo-Olu, if you allowed Lagos State to be the battlefield, you might not like what I'm saying. You might say, come back home, come and fight. I'm not asking for war. I don't want war. Ogun ò dàbí iyán, ogun ò dàbí ẹ̀kọ. Olówó á kú, tálíkà máa rọ̀run. I don't want war. ayò ọlọ́pọ́n lélẹ́yìí òpin ń ta kí ló máa ń pè ayò ọlọ́pọ́n èèyàn méjì náà ló máa ta ayò ọlọ́pọ́n ọ̀tá máa ta ni òpin náà máa ta ẹ̀yẹ́ máa campaign ní election 2023 yìí àwọn tó fẹ́ Yorùbá nation let them keep on campaigning for Yorùbá nation àwọn tó fẹ́ Biafra let them continue campaigning for Biafra let them do the rally you have been doing APC are doing their rally PDP are doing their rally so let them do their rally let them ask for what they want you cannot speak for us the Agbagba Yorubas you cannot speak for us why will you speak for us I'm above 18 years then how dare you come and say you want to speak for me. If you want restructuring, go with your restructuring. I want Yoruba nation. And as I said, ó ṣe Bible ní ìtàn àwọn ará ìlú Bible ni. Wọ́n ṣe Quran ní ìtàn àwọn ará ìlú Quran ni. Àwa náà a máa ṣe ìwé ní ìtàn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. We mark your faces. We know you. We know who you are. We will make. Èmi tí ń kọ ìwé nípa yín. As an illiterate as I am, mo ti ń kọ ìwé nípa yín. Àwọn orúkọ yín a máa kọ ìtàn yín tó pé àwọn another generation tó máa ń dé ìtàn yín náà máa kà pé ìtàn ilé lágbájá báyìí àwọn Júdásì ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń gbà yẹn nìyẹn àwọn ìrandíran yín ẹ ti ra ọ̀rọ̀ kalẹ̀ fún wọn and everybody will live to witness your downfall because wọ́n fìyà jẹ wá ẹ ṣe anything you don't speak for us wọ́n gbé palliative pamọ́ you don't speak for us wọ́n rape you don't speak for us. Ajínigbé ń gbéyàn lọ́nà ẹ lè speak for us. You can't speak for us. How dare you say you want to speak for us? You cannot speak for us. Ẹ lè speak fún wa. To me, Igboho is my speaker for now. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kó ṣiṣẹ́. Débi tó máa sọ pé òun ò ṣe mọ́. Tó bá lóun ò ṣe mọ́ lẹ́nìí, millions and millions of Igbohos will stand up. Millions and millions of Igbo has already stand up. I'm telling you a secret. They are waiting for what we escalate it. What we ignite it, that's what they are waiting for. Life wire méjì ní Nigeria ló wà láàrin ẹ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n tó máa ignite ẹ̀ papọ̀ ni wọ́n dúró dé and everything will escalate. You are now coming out, you are speaking for us. You can't speak for us. Elewabi Jokosi, you cannot speak for us. You can only speak for your children. Me, Yorubawi, you can never speak for me. Nígbà tí ìyà ń jẹ wá, tí ebi palliative ń pa wá, tí wọ́n ń da àwọn èèyàn láàmú ní Nàìjíríà, mo ń lo ebi ń pa wá because ebi ń pa mí, but I was working here and sending it home to feed my people. So ebi ń pa èmi náà. Ní ìgbà tí Trump, President Trump, ex-president Nigeria, America, tí ó bá lè fún àwọn ìlú ẹ̀ ní owó, tí president Nigeria, Buhari, tí ó lè fún àwọn northerners ní owó, àwọn ọmọ wọn gba 20,000, àwọn àgbàlagbà gba 40,000, and ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ Yorùbá, to the extent pé wọ́n palliative nílé ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, you are not ashamed of yourself, and you can still come out and say something. You're supposed to bury your face. The Agbalagbas of Yoruba land, go and bury your face. Stop coming out. You are a disgrace to your children. You are a disgrace to your children. Timbani ini baba, I will disown you. Tia baje baba mi, I will disown you. You are a disgrace. You can still come out and say, we want to restructure. What are you restructuring? Nigeria has not been structured. Nigeria is not a country. 1914 amalgamation has expired. You want Tinubu to be the next president on what constitution? On 1999 constitution, you want Tinubu to be the president. On the constitution that supports corrupt. On the constitution that supports corrupt leaders. That supported corruption. The 1999 constitution that cannot probe the Fulanis from killing the Yorubas. The 1999 constitution that cannot prosecute the bandits that were arrested. The 1999 constitution that cannot probe the senators that ní gbádùn ní gbádùn ẹ̀yin bàbá burúkú yìí ní gbádùn. Under what constitution ni Tinubu fẹ́ rule? 1999, the same 1999 constitution tí Buhari ti ń fìyà jẹ wá, the same 1999 constitution tó sọ pé ìjọba lè yá owó ní orúkọ Nigeria and without giving an explanation. They don't owe us any explanation. They don't owe us any explanation. Billions of dollars levy ammunition. Where are the ammunition? Where is the accountability for everything? You can't do the accounts, and we are not able to ask you. If we will ask you, you will tell us to shut up, or you shut up us by killing us. You are wiping away the youth. That is why you are calling them leaders of tomorrow. That when they died and they resurrect, if possible, they come back to this world again. When they come back tomorrow, they will be the leader. That's why you call the youth the leaders of tomorrow. No, we are tired of calling our youth the leaders of tomorrow. They are the leaders of today. As you can see, I am not a youth anymore. I am old. But I will fight for the future of the youth with the last drop of the blood in my vein. The last drop of blood in my vein, I will fight for the youth. Ìtọ́ tẹ̀ ń wọlé nu mi ọtí títọ́ yìí tí ó bá sí ń bẹ́ mọ̀. Which I know pé mi ò ní kánjú kú. Ìwọ tó bá pàmò yìí ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó dáwọ́ kú sí mi. Ìgbéraga làrá máa ń ké wọlé. Ìgbéraga gbogbo àwọn ọmọ báyìí lójú ẹ̀ báyìí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ báyìí wọ́n bá kí gbéraga lórí wọn ni. Ìgbéraga làrá máa ń ké wọlé. Ó ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ jọ náà tí mú jọ tí mi jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ jù. Ṣèbó wà níbi tó wà ó ń gbádùn kí ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà fún. Tó bá rọ kú sí mi. Ìgbéraga òun làrá máa ń ké wọ́n bá gbọ́ fọ́ọ́. Wọ́n máa sunkún gbogbo náà lẹ́yìn ni. Lagos rally we hold. Lagos rally we hold. I always come online and say, ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, jọ, Sanwó-Olú. I always come and beg you, plead with you. Nítorí pé mi ò fẹ́ kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá bàjẹ́ ni. Ìgbà tá a ti gbọ́ pé ẹ ti lọ tẹ t-shirt àwọn Yorùbá nation. Ẹ ti lọ tẹ t-shirt àwọn OPC. Àwọn náà ti ń bọ́ tó yẹ ká bọ́ anything buyable la máa bọ́. We go buy anything buyable. I am a Muslim. I pray 5 times a day. Àwọn tó mọ̀ mi wà lórí line tí wọ́n mọ̀ mi. Gbogbo ọ̀sán mi kọ́ ni mo fi ń jẹun. Gbogbo òru mi kọ́ ni mo fi ń sùn. I fear nobody. Lẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run bá tó dá mi. Àtòtọ́, I always fear the truth. But ní tó wà lẹ́yìn, we go buy anything buyable. We go near anything nearable. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. We go pay anything payable. Any alálẹ̀ payable, we go pay them. Any òrìṣà buyable, we go buy them. Any irúbọlẹ̀ níbẹ̀ we go need them. We go need everything for honor. Ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀ gbọ́ ní rọrùn ni, ẹ gbọ́ ní tipátipá. Ìwọ tó bá ti gbẹ́jọ́ APC lé lọ́rùn. Tó kì í ṣe original OPC, original OPC yẹn, wọ́n ní kó lọ bà Yorùbá nation jẹ́, wọ́n ní kó lọ bà dáhùn ṣe jẹ́, a máa ní anything lẹ́yìn lórí. Ìwọ tí wọ́n gbé aṣọ Yorùbá nation sí lọ́rùn tó ní kó lọ fi invade ibì kan kó lọ fi dá wàhálà sílẹ̀ kó máa pariwo Yorùbá nation ni o àwọn kíní kan ni o a máa ní anything ní ebu any irúmọlẹ̀ ní ebu go ní am for your head any òrìṣà bọ́ ebu we go bọ́ am for your head any irúmọlẹ̀ pé ebu we go pay them a máa gbé fàdé a máa gbé fàṣọlẹ̀ a máa gbé ọ̀pọ̀lẹ̀ ṣọlẹ̀ a máa ṣẹ́bi tì lẹ́yìn lórí ní rojú ráyè ṣẹlẹ̀ ayé yín owó tẹ bá gbà ibi tá bá nọ sí ẹ ní láìkí ẹ a máa ṣe wọ́ Àjàbí Ògúndé mi ọgbọ́n o mo kọ́ ọ̀run máa fẹ́ proof pé orin ó mọ̀yàn wọn náà jẹ́wé o jẹ́ kíní kan tí ìwọ nìkan bá dáná fún gbogbo Yorùbá nation a máa jẹ́ tó wà níyó o bẹ́ẹ̀ tí gbogbo Yorùbá nation tí a bá dá ìpèlè ẹ lórí tí oníkálukú fi ẹnu bá àṣẹ tí wọ́n gbígbóná ní tútù ní tí wọ́n rọ ilé ẹ̀ tí wọ́n wọlé fámìlì ẹ̀ ò ní ìrùlà so àwọn tó fẹ́ lọ gbọ́ owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó fẹ́ fi da nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣerú gbà pé owó ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ lọ gbà o gbogbo àwọn tó fẹ́ fún ẹ lówó fẹ́ lọ gbọ́ owó lọ́wọ́ wọn gbà pé owó ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ fún ẹ o ìwọ tí o bá rí là tí o bá kú ò ní gbádùn ayé tọmọtọmọ ni o ò ní àníjẹ́ ò gbádùn ayé àwọn tí wọn ò ní ewé tí wọn ò ní egbò tí wọn ò mọ̀ kankan tó pé tẹ̀sù bá nìkan ni wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n máa fà lé ẹ lórí ni àwọn kan tó pé bíbélì nìkan ni wọ́n mọ̀ àwọn kan ti ń gba àwẹ̀ nínú Yorùbá Nation agitation yìí wọ́n ti ń gba àwẹ̀ nísìn Ọlọ́run ló mọ iye oṣù ìwọ kan tó kó fẹ́ lọ wọ aṣọ PC àbá aṣọ Yorùbá Nation àbí wọn ò sí ẹ̀wọ̀n kankan ọkọ̀ gbé bọ́lá pé kò máa yín níṣó wà láìwọ́ ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ló gbà. You are a suicide bomber. You are a suicider. Tó bá ti ń lọ bá wọn ṣe báyìí mo ti bá wọn tó lọ àwọn fámìlì ẹ pé tọ̀ ó ń lọ o ó lè ti gbowó tó bá àwọn ọmọ ẹ náà pé ó ti gbowó ẹ̀mí wọn torí àní fi wọ nìkan sílẹ̀. We will make sure we extend it. Àwọn irú mọ̀lẹ̀ kan bọ̀ tó máa ń bọ tó yẹ pé ìjà tiwọn orí ìran 50 náà ti máa ń dúró ìjà tiwọn nìyẹn ó nígbà tó bá jà lórí ìran 50 they will start fighting with you from you to your 50th generation 50 they will fight you from you to your 50th generation àti ní gbogbo wọn àti gbé wọn dìde àwọn ò ní bẹ́yìn àrí bẹ́yìn o mo ti ń bẹ̀yìn tẹ́lẹ̀ Tinubu àbá Tinubu mo ti bọ́ta mo ti wá bẹ̀yìn Sanwó-Olú ẹni wọ́n ń kun Èkó ralẹ̀ o kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe sí à ń ṣe mẹ́wàá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń yọ́sọ́ la ṣe ń yọgbọ́n gbogbo ten plan láti ṣe láti fi rálì yẹn rú láti fi sọ wá ní orúkọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ni à ń gbọ́ àwọn náà dẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí kódà àwọn ìyá kan rẹ́dí àti bọ́tà ní ìhòòhò bí wọ́n ṣe wá sáyé wọ́n á tọwọ́ bọ abẹ́ wọ́n á gbé èpè fún wọn tó bá da rálì wá rú múra sí o tó máa fẹ́ 100,000 kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ fẹ́ ní 1 million oníran tá máa gbé sí inú ayé ẹ̀fẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀dọ́ náà fi dá ayé wọ́n ṣe rálì APC tó bá ṣe rálì APC tó bá lọ́mọ Yorùbá Nation tó wá dá rálì APC rú ẹ̀ṣin kan tó bá wùn yín fún tó bá ṣe rálì PDP tó bá lọ́mọ Yorùbá Nation tó bá wá dá rálì PDP rú ohun tó bá wùn yín ni ẹ ṣe fún bẹ́ẹ̀ tó wá ṣe rálì Yorùbá Nation ìwọ owó ọṣọ o tó bá wá dá rálì ìwà rú a máa ní àwọn nǹkan lé ẹ lórí wà á mọ̀ pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ilẹ̀ tó ní nǹkan ni níbi tí ọ̀rọ̀ dé dúró yìí nísìn mi ò wá lẹ́yìn láti wá bẹ̀yìn I have cried and cried mo ti sunkún torí àwọn èèyàn mi ni I'm good and fine here kí ni mo fẹ́ jẹ kí ni nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ jẹ tí mi ò bá ṣiṣẹ́ ṣẹ́ta wà fún mi láti lọ sùn government will be paying yeah pé mi ò ṣiṣẹ́ tí mi ò bá ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n máa fún mi lóúnjẹ change díẹ̀díẹ̀ wọ́n máa fún mi lọ́sọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ but mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ I'm good and fine here how will I be fine and good and seeing my people suffering and I will be happy all I need is happiness now Yorùbá Nation not going back all I need is happiness now I need to be happy. And what can only make me happy is when I see the Biafrans, my Biafran brothers, exit from Nigeria. Let them be Biafrans. That is their self-determination. Let them speak for themselves. They are speaking for themselves. They are speaking for themselves. All I want is for my Yoruba brothers and sisters to exit from Nigeria. Let them be Yoruba Nation. Let them speak for themselves. No agbalagba anything can come out and speak for them. Let them speak for themselves. They are human beings. They have suffered enough. They have suffered enough. Please, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yorubawuyi. That is the name. Okay, I will write it. You're going to write Yoruba. Okay, I will do that just now. Yeah, only can pin it. I don't know how to pin it. Let me do if I can do that. All right, I'm gonna do that if I can do that. But I'm not for that today. That's okay. And subscribe to your channel me, go YouTube, Yorubawuyi. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you have not subscribed, please do. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yorubawuyi. That is the same name you are watching this video with. Yorubawuyi on Facebook, Yorubawuyi on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I'm still coming for these Agbalagba people. If all these countries, they can say Buhari is not fit, is not competent to be a president. If the American government can tell their people, oh God, thank you, Mike. Oh, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you. Thank you so much. Let the Biafrans go. Let the Yorubas go. You Agbalagbas, you cannot speak for us. Don't speak for us. We are able to speak for ourselves. We are over 18 years. Ami Ọlọ́run Wasiu Mujib. We are able to speak for ourselves. Nígbà tí wọ́n ń gé wọn ní ọwọ́, tí wọ́n ń gé wọn lẹ́sẹ̀, ǹjẹ́ speak for wa. You don't speak for us. Why will you speak for us now? Why do you want to speak for us now? Don't speak for us. A ò fẹ́ yín. We want Yoruba nation. If the American government can tell their people not to travel to Nigeria because genocide is going on in Nigeria, you think the world is deaf? You think the world is blind? They are looking at you. All eyes on you. Ìwọ tó fẹ́ lọ jà, tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó kìíní sí lọ́rùn, ẹ̀yin tó fẹ́ lọ ṣe rally, make sure you are on live. We will support you with the little we have, so you can go on live and make sure pé camera ojú wọn. DJ Switch. Ara àwọn tí wọ́n camera ní Lekki Toll Gate. Ṣé mọ̀ wípé wọ́n tó lọ sí Canada ń jọ̀wọ́, tó lọ seek for asylum pẹ̀lú àti family ẹ̀. The Canadians, they denied him of asylum. That is to tell you, pé, the world is watching. They denied him with his family. So ìwọ tó fẹ́ lọ jà náà, tó fẹ́ lọ attack àwọn Yorùbá nation, tó fẹ́ wọṣọ PC, tó fẹ́ wọṣọ Yorùbá nation, tó fẹ́ wọ anything, your face will be on the screen and we will send it to UN. Àwa máa fi èpè bà ayé ẹ jẹ́. Tí Nàìjíríà tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá bá tún wá gbóná mọ́ ẹ, tí nira bá ẹ, tí wọ́n fẹ́ fly lọ sí abroad. Fọ́tò ẹ, ó wà ní embassy. Ọmọ grant ẹ, on the grant the visa, on the grant ẹ. But what in there anywhere in the whole world, they will deport you. One man deport you with immediate effect because we will name you as a terrorist. Baba Gani Adams, stand up for your rights. This is the time for you to stand up. It might be only few minutes. This is the time for you to, Baba Gani Adams, this is the time for you to stand up. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ bà OPC ní orúkọ jẹ́. Ẹ dẹ̀ ní pé ẹ ní agbára. Àmọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n ń jà Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò wípé agbára máa ń wà ní ọwọ́ wọn. Baba Gani Adams, ẹ bọ́ ọ̀tá, ẹ bọ́ sórí online, ẹ bọ́ sórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì, ẹ ṣẹ́ èpè burúkú. Ẹ má wulẹ̀ fi èpè bọ́nu ní ìta gbangba. Ẹ ti fi bẹnu láti inú ilé. Ẹ wá fi bẹnu o, ẹ fi bọ ẹnu. Ẹ wá ṣẹ́ èpè pẹ̀lú bá ti wá aṣọ OPC fi da Yorùbá nation rú. Tí ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ sí, tó yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ọwọ́ yóò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹsẹ̀ yóò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ láti jẹ́ kó da Yorùbá nation rally rú. Ẹ bọ́ síta ẹ ṣẹ́ èpè, àwọn màámi ẹ bá yín fi àṣẹ sí. Àwọn igba arúmọlẹ̀ wọ́n bá yín fi àṣẹ sí. Pé èmi Gani Adams o, mi ò mọ̀ nípa Yorùbá nation tó fẹ́ lọ da rally wọn rú yìí o. Ẹni bá ti wọṣọ OPC o, alálẹ̀ Yorùbá o gbàgán. Ẹ mú àwọn gbogbo irúmọlẹ̀, ẹ fi bẹ́ èpè fún wọn. Àwọn alálẹ̀ máa fi àṣẹ sí. I know she is in Canada now. Àwọn alálẹ̀ wọ́n máa fi àṣẹ sí. The Agbalagba Afenifere, you cannot speak for us. Thank you. We don't want you. We don't want you. Sunday Igboho is speaking for us already. Official sílẹ̀, ó lọ ṣe rally l'Ekiti, ó lọ ṣe Londo, ó lọ ṣe l'Akure, and I know Baba Gani Adams himself we do that. I know. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n tó bá rán wa kó wá distract wa, kó wá bá wa jà, kó wá dá rally wa rú, wàláhì. Ẹ má bá mi sọ fún wọn pé we dey near anything near ebu. Any irúmọlẹ̀ near ebu, we are needing them. Òyìnbó mi, ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀ pé illustrate ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. Anything near ebu, we dey need them. Anything boyable, we dey bore them. À ń bọ gbogbo àwọn tó bá ṣe tó, anything tó bá ti wà boyable, à ń bọ wọn ni. Ẹni tó bá ti wà ní ebù, à ń ní wọn ni. Ẹni tó bá ti wà gbé ebù, à ń gbé wọn dìde ni. Rántí pé Yorùbá wí sọ fún ẹ pé èpè tá a ti ṣẹ́ kalẹ̀. Yes, I'm telling Gani Adams to come out and speak and swear for them. And I know he will do that. And I know to prove himself right I know Gani Adams very well. He will come out and say that. Bàbá ẹ bọ́ síta, ẹ ní èpè fún wọn. Ẹ bọ́ igba rúmọlẹ̀ fún wọn. Pé mi ò mọ̀ pa àwọn tó lọ dára ní Lagos State rú o. Èmi Gani ọmọ Adams. Tó bá pé mi ò mọ̀ pa ẹ̀, iṣẹ́ wa mi ni OPC. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ bà jẹ́, tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ fi jà. Báyìí ló ṣe máa rí fún yín, kẹ́ ní èpè yẹn, kẹ́ ṣẹ́ fún wọn. Àwọn èèyàn bá yín fàṣẹ sí. Àwọn alálẹ̀ bá yín fàṣẹ sí. Ilẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ dúró sí, á bá yín fàṣẹ sí. Eléyìí ò ń ṣe àsìkò pé Mùsùlùmí mi gbọ́dọ̀ ṣépè. Kìrìsìtẹ́nì ni mi gbọ́dọ̀ ṣépè. Eléyìí ò ń ṣe àsìkò yẹn o. Èpè náà fi ń wo èpè. Gbígbóná la fi ń wo gbígbóná. Èpè báyìí ni wọ́n fi ń wo èpè. Ẹ gbé àṣẹ, ẹ fi ẹnu bà àṣẹ. Àwọn àṣẹ tó gbóná gidi kẹ́ fi rọ́ èpè fún wọn. Ní ẹ má wà, let them come. Ẹ máa bọ̀, bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó kú òní ẹ sáìnì wíìlì fáwọn tó mọ̀ yín rí. Ní ẹ má wà, let them come. Say you have subscribed to my YouTube channel now. Yekin Saheed, thank you, I love you. Thank you, Yekin Saheed, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to YouTube channel mi. Subscribe to YouTube channel mi. Yorùbáwùyí náà ni. Yorùbáwùyí on Facebook, Yorùbáwùyí on YouTube. Ẹ má ọ̀rọ̀ kíní kọ́ lélẹ́yìí. Àwọn ọba kọ̀ọ̀kan tí wọ́n ti ṣe tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe. Wọ́n ti sọ fún àwọn wa pé ìtàn wa ni, orísun wa ni, orírun wa ni, àwọn òòṣà wa ni, àwọn bí tá ti ṣẹ̀ wá ni, a lè ti ń pe àwọn òòṣà wa dìde. Mo sọ eléyìí fún wọn brothers mi tó fẹ́ wá attack wa ni. Mo kàn sọ fún ẹni, mo ń jí sọ fún ẹni. Mo sọ fún ẹni pé àwọn tó wọ́n bá yí ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí wọ́n fẹ́ stop níbẹ̀, wọ́n fẹ́ ká bẹ́ẹ̀ fi kún ni. Tó bá bí lè pé o jẹ ẹ̀wọ̀n kan tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀kùn kó lè ṣe anything. Àwọn máa sọ fún ẹ pé tó bá gúnyán fún gbogbo àwọn tàjà agitation yìí, gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá gúnyán fún wa a máa jẹ tán. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tí a bá rò kà fún ẹ nígbà tí tó bá ṣe mọ lóbìnrin wa lọ́kùnrin wa lọ́mọdé wa lágbà wa tá bá rò kà fún ẹ o ò ní lè fọwọ́ kàn. Mo yẹ sọ fún ẹ ìwọ brother mi tí wọ́n fẹ́ lò tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbé ìbọn lé lọ́wọ́. Mo yẹ sọ fún ẹ pé tó bá ti ń kó lé tó bá gbà láti jẹ́ kó wọ́n fún ẹ lówó láti wá da kí rálì wà rú tó bá ti ń kó lé sọ fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ wípé owó tó gbà yìí o ó ti gba ojú àlá tiẹ̀ o ó ti gba tàwọn ọmọ ẹ o lórí 50th generation. Èmi ò mọ̀ pé wà èmi ò mọ̀ wípé òṣàkọ́mọ̀ tó pé wọ́n ní ìran 50 ló máa ń jáde kí wọ́n tó lè bẹ̀ kí wọ́n tó lè àpíìsì sí wípé àfẹ́ lọ bá àwọn tó máa bá àpíìsì sí o ó dìgbà tí ó bá jà lórí èèyàn 50 tí wọ́n bá rí bẹ̀ á máa ba ìran yẹn jẹ́ lọ ni bẹ̀ tó ń bá rí bẹ̀ tó bá lórí èèyàn 50 tó bá lórí ìran 50 á dúró tó dẹ̀ ń pa ayé ìtọ́ bá ń kó àpadà wá ni tó bá padà wá nípa 50 wọ́n sì máa jẹ̀yà yẹn. Lóò ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ gba owó lọ́wọ́ olóṣèlú àwọn tó mọ̀ ṣàlọ́ sọ pé òdodo ọ̀rọ̀ ní mi ò mọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́ ní. dídí tó tàwọn dẹ̀ ní diaspora a máa fi support àwọn màámi ńlé a máa support àwọn màámi kó bọ́ anything bọ́ ebùlé anybody lórí kó ní anything ní ebùlé yín lórí a support àwọn màámi ńlé. Àwọn ò ní ìwọ tó fẹ́ lọ da rálì rù kó má wà da rálì rù àmọ́ sọ fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ kó tó kú òǹlé sọ fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ kó tó kú òǹlé pé ó ti fẹ́ jayé wọn máa yé o ó ti fẹ́ bá tiwọn jẹ́ lórí ìran 50 o ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́ sọ fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ because ní fiẹ́lẹ̀ kò lọ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ o ọlọ́kọ́ ni ká nù ẹ́ ní nǹkan dandan kọ́ ọlọ́kọ́ ni ká mọ orúkọ ọ̀yẹ́ ẹ̀ nídìí orúkọ bàbá ẹ̀ kódà nídìí láti mọ orúkọ tiẹ̀ ṣoṣẹ́ àti wá ṣé wọ́n ń pè lọ́mọ ọmọ Yorùbá oúnjẹ àwọn tí wọ́n bí ẹ ṣe bí wọ́n mú mílẹ̀ Yorùbá kódà bójọ́ máa wúsá tó bá gba àbọ̀dé fún wa tó bá ti gba atẹ́gùn rẹ̀ Yorùbá ní ìṣẹ́jú kan àbí àwọn ọmọ tó mọ orúkọ atẹ́gùn wọn á bá atẹ́gùn sọ̀rọ̀ á ní ẹ lára. Governor Sanwó-Olú, I still come back to you. Ẹ la etí yín ẹ má ẹ̀ka anybody misguide yín ẹ má ẹ̀ka anybody sọ fún yín pé àwọn ọmọ tó ń bọ̀ àṣírádì yẹn a máa dà wọ́n rú tó máa dà wọ́n rú wọ́n fẹ́ da pọ́kẹ́tì yín rú ni wọ́n fẹ́ da ìjọba yín rú ni wọ́n fẹ́ kí Yorùbá yọ ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà kó pín láti ìlú yín ni ẹ fọgbọ́n ṣe Ṣèyí Mákindé fọgbọ́n ṣe ni ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ gentle bí ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tẹ́ bá gentle yẹn ẹ máa ń sán rí gan ó gentle bí ti yín ó fọpọlọ ṣe ni Governor Ogun State Oyetola òun náà gentle ó fọpọlọ ṣe ni bàbá onírùngbọ̀n funfun ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹ̀bọ ní ìgbọ̀n funfun àtìgbà àtùpá àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ òǹdò kókókókókó ní tiwọn bẹ̀tà bá fọgbọ́n ṣe ẹ̀yin ọmọ yẹn ló ń lọ tí yín tó bá yẹ kó ó tẹ̀ bọ́tà ọjọ́ kejì pé òun ò support Yorùbá nation fine a mọ̀ pé ipò tó ń wà ní wọ́n lè wà bọ́tà house báwọn ò sọ ẹ̀yin náà lọ́pọlọ o gọ́vnà Sanwó-Olú ẹ lu ọpọlọ fi ọpọlọ ṣe à ń bọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ à ń bọ̀ bí ẹ pọ̀ kà ń bọ̀ dé ni à ń bọ̀ adé tán a máa wá tilétilé àwọn orúmọlẹ̀ máa support wa a máa gbé àwọn òòṣà dìde gbogbo tí ń jẹ́ yẹ̀pẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá a máa pe yẹ̀pẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo ìgbà Yorùbá máa dìde Olókun á dìde Ọlọ́ṣà á dìde Èṣù á dìde Ọbàtálá máa dìde Elédùmarè wà lẹ́yìn wa ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé Elédùmarè wà lẹ́yìn wa ni ṣé wọ́n sọ fún yín ni ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ń tọ́jú bọ́lé àwọn babaláwo sọ fún yín pé Elédùmarè ló lọ́wọ́ sí iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe yìí ni àwọn pásítọ̀ yìí wọn ò rí fún yín pásítọ̀ Ṣíbàjò àwọn pásítọ̀ Rìdíìmù yìí wọn ò rí fún yín pé Elédùmarè lọ́wọ́ sí tá à ń ṣe Elédùmarè lọ́wọ́ sí ni èmi tí mò ń dá yín lóhùn yìí tí mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi ò ní tẹ́jú àti ṣe kinní yìí àmọ́ àwọn orúmọlẹ̀ tó ṣe àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan bóyá bọ́ta lọ sọ̀rọ̀ ìtàn ṣe Elédùmarè lọ́wọ́ sí i tẹ́yìn bá gbàgbọ́ tó bá dijọ́ yẹn káwọn èèyàn jáde ìjọ́ iná ni Nàìjíríà máa pín Nàìjíríà ti kú wọ́n ti sí ní Lekki toll gate but àwọn àǹtí lọ báyìí à ń ṣe ní ọkọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀gọ̀ títí tá máa fi kúrò ní tá máa gba Yorùbá nation wa tán but tẹ bá bìlì pé ẹ máa káwọn ọmọ jáde tán Sàlámù Kọ́lá mi rọ́bì rọ̀ yìí mi ẹ fọwọ́ yín pín Nàìjíríà nìyẹn o tẹ bá lè sọ Lagos State di battlefield tó yẹ pé Lagos State náà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà àwọn ọmọ eléyìí ò ń ṣe àwọn Lekki toll gate gọ́vnà Sanwó-Olú ojúmọ́ ni mo ń sọ fún yín àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń wò yìí wọ́n ń ṣe àwọn Lekki toll gate mo mọ̀ súnmọ́ kámẹ́rà kẹ́ rójú mi ni mo ti fa iṣẹ́ ṣe bójú mi ṣe pọ́n mi ní intention láti máa pátá wá sọ̀kọ̀ tí mò ń sọ yìí but I have to ohun tó ń gbẹ́nu mi I have to do it bó ṣe ń ṣe mí ló ń ṣe àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó pé tó máa ti fi ṣe dé báyà wọn ò ní lè jẹun àfi tó máa bọ̀tà tó máa sọ́pàtọ̀ táwọn orúmọlẹ̀ nìkan sọ I have to do it mask ni ọ̀fẹ́ ni tó fẹ́ wọ ní mọ́tò nsìn tó ní mask wọ́n á fún ẹ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ó dé twenty wọ́n á fún ẹ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ kí ni tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe fún wa lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ tí àwọn afẹ́nifẹ́ anything afẹ́nifẹ́ àpò ara wọn àwọn afẹ́nifẹ́ greediness afẹ́nifẹ́ selfishness afẹ́nifẹ́ wickedness tí wọ́n ń bọ́ta tí wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ń sọ̀rọ̀ on behalf of ọmọ Yorùbá wọ́n ní àwọn ń sọ̀rọ̀ on behalf of ọmọ Yorùbá wípé àfẹ́ Yorùbá nation they are speaking on behalf of their self they can't speak for me ẹ tàgé àwọn bàbá àgbàlagbà yẹn sọ fún pé they can't speak for me and ìwé ìtàn Yorùbá àti ń kọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí orúkọ wọn pọ̀ sí ni irú má tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn orúkọ ti wọ̀wé àwọn tó ń dúró tì orúkọ wọn ti wọ̀wé ọgbà tó dúró tì ọyọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ gbé wọn ti wọ̀wé mask is money in Nigeria I know everything is money in Nigeria ọgbà àwọn tí wọ́n dúró yẹn orúkọ wọn ti wọ̀wé àti ń kọ Bible ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti ń kọ Kùránì ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti ń kọ àní ẹ má ṣe mùsùlùmí o àní ẹ má ṣe kìrìsìtẹ́nì má ṣe mi gbọ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ ti ìwé ìtàn tiwa náà wọ́n ní Yorùbá anítàn alákọsílẹ̀ àti ń kọ ìwé ẹ̀kan àkọsílẹ̀ and this history we never speak well about you àgbàlagbàs àmì busi this history will never speak well about all this you àgbàlagbàs Afẹ́nifẹ́re the àgbàlagbàs we are the àgbàlagbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá this history will not speak well about you àti kọ orúkọ gbogbo yín sínú ìwé ìtàn àrọ́mọdọ́mọ yín ìran Júdásì àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀dínrẹ̀ àwọn ìdílé Jésù máa sọ pé ìran Júdásì nìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ láti máa tọmọ sí ìran díran tí náà àwọn ọmọ síwájú máa sọ pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ lágbẹ́já ni àwọn Júdásì ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ẹ lọ́kọ̀ kalẹ̀ ẹ ṣe èyí tẹ́ ń wò mí ẹ má bínú pé ẹ má bínú how did you see our rally at Akure Ondo State ó fine gan ó yá ẹ yẹ ká ṣeré bí ẹmú tá bá ṣe Yorùbáwùyí tá bá ti ṣe program máa ń ṣeré bí 5 minutes ó yẹ ká ṣe 5 minutes ẹ má bínú bẹ ṣe rí mi lẹ́ni Akure Ondo wà superb ẹ má bínú bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí mi ní èní yìí. Ọlá Akínyẹmí, Akérèdé Gold, Rájí Animashaun, Abibu Adédèjì Olúgbénga Bọ̀wálé, Akórèdé Gold, Sunday, àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wò mí pátá, Túndé Òjó. Thank you so much. Ẹ má bínú bí ẹ ṣe rí mi as a rude person today. I don't mean to be rude. Adefades, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel, Yorubawuyi? Please, if you have not done that, please do. Ẹ bá mi lọ subscribe to YouTube channel mi, Yorubawuyi. Yorubawuyi ni mo ń jẹ́ lórí YouTube. Orúkọ tẹ́ fi ń wo YouTube, tẹ́ fi ń wo Facebook yìí náà. Ní kẹ́ fi wo. We need to do DNA test for all of them. I need to ṣe DNA test fún wọn. A máa kọ́ wọn sínú ìwé ìtàn ni, so àwọn wọn náà máa bá ń bẹ̀. Yorùbá Afẹ́nifẹ́ bí ni wọ́n ní. Afẹ́nifẹ́ ní tó bá wù kí wọ́n jẹ́, they can't speak for me. If they can speak for you, I don't know, but to me they can't speak for me. Fisayo, thank you. Abigail Fumilayo, ẹ ṣé, Olúfẹ́mi, Ọlágbójú. I will not be able to call everybody's name, but ẹ̀yin tí mo pe orúkọ yín, ẹ ṣé, Tèmítọ́pẹ́ Olútáyọ̀. Ẹ̀yin tí mo pe orúkọ yín àti ẹ̀yin tí mi ò pe orúkọ yín, monkey everybody. Tí ẹ wo program mi lẹ́nu. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí a ṣe àtúnṣe. Olúfẹ́mi, ẹ ká ṣe àtúnṣe. Okay. And wọ́n ní Èkìtì rally náà ń bọ̀. Èkìtì rally náà ń bọ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́tà fún Ondo State rally. Titi Crowder, thank you. 50 marks at train station, yes. Cherry, I want wà ní kíní. Only I was given 50 pack of masks at a train station. But man fún everything níbi below fẹ́ni yẹn. Do à ń faṣẹ́ o, but I busted, thank you. But ẹ jọ̀ọ́, wọ́n ní Èkìtì state, Èkìtì rally ń bọ̀, àwọn èèyàn sọ fún mi nísìn. Thank you, God bless you too. God bless you too. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Gbogbo ò lè sá kúrò nílé. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti subscribe to YouTube channel mi, ẹ lọ bá mi subscribe. Ẹ bá mi subscribe to YouTube channel mi. That is the only way you can make me happy. Pé mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ and I will be coming out, and that is the only way. Take pé tèmi náà máa dùn, because I want you happy, so I will be happy. Rotimi Ayeshe, say meta lot kan. Rotimi, ṣé Christian ni àbí Muslim? I will always greet you in whatever you are, because I'm a free person. I am a free thinker. I am a Muslim, I am a Christian, I am Oníṣẹ̀ṣe. I am not a Muslim, I am not a Christian, I am not Oníṣẹ̀ṣe. I am a free thinker. I am who said I should call him? Etibere, call my name. I am Abibu, Association of Call My Name. And I don't come again. Call my name, call my name. I shared and there. But have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Kí don't delay until you subscribe to YouTube channel. And subscribe to YouTube channel. Yorubawuyi. I love you. I love you dearly. I love you so much. And I want you to love me also. Tomorrow, kini mi, Mari, 11,000 viewers. Kini kan 4,000 comments. And you comment, but you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Why? When I need to just press subscribe button. No button. Yorubawuyi. Mo ti rí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ Yorubawuyi lórí YouTube náà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ Yorubawuyi tèmi, ẹ máa rójú mi níbi kíní mi. Ẹ máa ti press Yorubawuyi, ẹ máa ti rí ìyá dúdú, ẹ bí ṣe dúdú. Ẹ máa ti rí ojú mi níbi page mi. Ìyẹn ni pé Yorubawuyi tèmi lẹ subscribe sí nìyẹn. Ẹ ṣé. We are going to shut down Southwest economy if Sanwo-Olu try anything. Sanwo-Olu will not try anything foolish. Because some of the party anything in Lumbai, everyone will be shut down. People are not afraid of the military, the police anymore. And ẹ̀yin military, tó máa ní kẹ́lẹ́ bọ́ta, if you are a Yoruba man, ọmọ kan tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá o, má bá wọn gbé ìbọn o. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ bá wọn gbé ìbọn, you are on your own, I don't know. Àwọn ọmọ wa mú ti ìdíjò dání. Ṣọmọ tí wọ́n ń pè ní ti ìdíjò. Ìgbà tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ agitation mọ̀ pé kí ni wà tó jẹ́ ti ìdíjò. Tó bá ti nàbọ́ sí wọn báyìí, ìbọn ó máa jò láti dì ní. Ó wọ ọkùnrin lọ straight, ó kú dànù nìyẹn. Wọ́n mú ti ìdíjò dání, so kó wà careful. Tó bá jẹ́ ọlọ́pàá Yorùbá, no Sunday, no problem. House up. I don't understand you. Come Oyinbo. I beg write Yoruba jare. Which kind of person be this son? You know I love you, but you always write English. And then come Oyinbo. So subscribe to YouTube channel me Yorubawuyi. àtúmọ̀ máa sọ̀rọ̀ àtúnṣe wá kù ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo ti pariwo tán June 5 ní Èkìtì wọ́n ní Èkìtì wọ́n ní kí n bá wọn announce Èkìtì rally June 5 please come one come all ẹ bọ́tà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bọ́tà fún ti Ondo state rally bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kẹ́ ṣe bọ́tà fún Èkìtì state rally náà ní subscriber Ọmọníyì Ọládìtàn God bless you ẹ ní wọ́wọ́ tì ọwọ́ tẹ̀ fi ń tẹ subscribe button fún mi ẹ ní fi gbọ́mọ sìn wàhálà ẹ ní gbòkú ọmọ sìn ẹ ní délé bọ̀ òkú ọmọ ìdààmú kéré ó tóbi wàhálà kéré ó tóbi fìtínà kéré ó tóbi kò ní jẹ́pin yín kò ní jẹ́pin tèmi Ọlọ́run agbára lọ́wọ́ àjogún tílẹ̀ Yorùbá bá wá dé tán ẹ̀yin ò ní kú èmi náà ò ní sọnù ẹ̀yin ò ní sọnù èmi náà ò ní kú wọn ò ní fẹ́ni kankan ṣàwátì a ò dẹ̀ nílò lórí ààrẹ àkọ́tún báyìí lọ́rọ́ lé ọmọ yọ ní ti dáadáa ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tí odò ni bọ̀kùbọ̀kù ló máa ń so bọ̀kùbọ̀kù láyé mi àti ní máa so sí rere sówó sọmọ sálàáfíà Lagos rally is coming up mo ti sọ fún wọn Sanwó-Olú don't act stupid ẹ̀yin sójà don't act stupid ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá don't act stupid ẹ̀yin brothers mi tí wọ́n ń pè ní agbèrò tí wọ́n ń pè ní ọmọọ̀ta tí wọ́n ń pè ní thug àwọn náà sọ yín dìbẹ̀ ẹ kì í ṣe thug ẹ kì í ṣe agbèrò ẹ kì í ṣe ọmọọ̀ta please don't act stupid àtúnṣe àti yín á kù. To my Muslim brothers and sisters, salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To my Christian, àlàáfíà fún yín o, àlàáfíà kó máa bá yín gbé láti sínsìn lọ àti títí láéláé. And to my oníṣẹ̀ṣe, mo kí yín. Mo filẹ̀ ògẹ́rẹ́ àfọkọ́ yẹrí alápòore. Ilẹ̀ lè tí mo pé ilẹ̀ lè máa fi ń kí yín. Mo filẹ̀ kí yín. Mo fi gbogbo olúwawo mo fi kí yín. Mo fi Ajíbọ́lá Ẹ̀dán ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń gbénu lédì tí ń kúnyùmùyùm mo fi kí yín mo fa àwọn ìyá mi Àbẹ̀ní mo fi kí yín mo fa àwọn bàbá mi mo fi kí yín ẹ̀yin Ọlọ́ṣun Ṣẹ̀ǹgẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mo fi kí yín o olóyè Àyùn ìyá mi Awẹ́dẹ kó tó wẹ mọ mo kí yín o ẹ ṣé o àtúnṣọwákù kẹ́ni nice time ẹ lọ subscribe to YouTube channel mi I love you just prove to me that you love me subscribe to my YouTube channel thank you you have a blessed day ẹ ṣé gan.